Kongoi kasubik ka chebo kalenjin cheisubet kebeberwek tugul cheisubet eng urerietab asista, biik chemii chekakong'etyo eng emotinwek kou emetab Amerika, biik chemi emetab Australia, cheketchingei Rwanda, kokakibwa kora eng saisiekab kuraki keibun tetutiet ne notok kichome nenotok kikere ine chitab kalenjin kimi ak toek kobun emetot nekakinyoru eng betutab rani eng tetutiet. Kongoi eng biik chokere kakotunenin kobun kebeberwek cheterchin. Akekere Roli Sirma kobun kebebertab Western Australia, kebeberta kibunu olimbo mashinani, kibunu kebebertab Kosra, akere imi Tune, imi Lok, akere kora mchungaji Reverend Grace Mutai kobun kebebertab olimbo Columbus, Ohio. Kongoi mchungaji isubet imi Tune, imi Lok, kiwechi kongoi ak biik tugul chokere kakomong kobunu kebeberwek cheterchin, kiwechi kongoi. Mi kora tikemi harakati nekobo Christmas tikekere kele koune sikukuu ang kebeberwek chekomi. Kongoi kora nekikure Evans Keita kakomong chitab olimbo Japan, Tokyo Japan. Kongoi Evans, kiwechi kongoi kokerchen Evans kebendi sikehosten kora eng betusiek chemi tai yo kole ak biik tugul. Kongoi Arap Sulo kobun kebeberta nep Adelaide nekakashu komong olikai mapema kole ngomakere komi hewani kilen pole biikchok ake tinye shida nebo musoknotet lakini kakeitu kora on time. Kongoi kora biikchuk chebo Tulwa Mwetuni, kongoi kokwet, kaniset, kakere kokotar kanisa, kakolecho omi Lok, omi Tune, kosubi tetutiet, omi chini kwa chini, angot Edwin Kimutai komi kebeberab Kapting'ut, angot Titus Mchumba Tirop akere kakolecho omi Lok, omi Tune, okeni tetutiet chini kwa chini ak biik tugul chebo olabo Kapcheserut ak kokwotinwechok tugul ak biik tugul chokere kakomong eng kebeberi. Awechi kongoi biikchok kakoitot mi Ainea Kipkemboi, ameche kityo biikchok imwowechi ile ikase tetutiet anan kenomchech ano eng kemboutab rani. Ainea Kipkemboi ko kakomong komi taonitab Cyprus olimbo Northern Europe. Kilen kongoi Ainea, kiwechi kongoi Ainea amu mongen ale saa ngapi ngolo omi. Achek kemi kitokchinigei saa sita kebeberta nep Adelaide Australia, mi biik chekakoit saa sita ak nusu kebeberta nimbo Sydney Australia, mi biik kora chemi saa nne ango Roli Sirma kotokomi icheket olobo saa tatu ako emet agenge bolosi Bitarono, lakini woi emonep Australia, mi biik chekakoruiyo, mi biik chetikomi sapa, mi biik chetikomi oret kong'etie boisionik ako emet agenge nebo emetab Australia. Biikchok makolos ketou tetutiet ne notok kichome, notok kikere ne chitab kalenjin kakoingian toot kabisa nebo betutab rani. Ko mekosan sikas itunen amu toondoni kong'ololi inegei ko yani kiwechi kongoi amu ngiro kakenyoru inendet koityu kabisa komakitekani for granted amu ko chi netinye boisionik very busy, lakini scheduleni dakikainik cheng'ering'en uyo saa 11 kebeberta nimbo Toronto, Canada. Akere Arap Matelong komi taonitab Toronto, Canada. Kakomong kora mi yot tetekei ak boiyot age nekikure Job Arap Kirwa ak Amos Arap Tokoch kakole mi Tune, kale kimi on solidarity with the fellow Canadian nekimi on the show tonight. So maya emonep Canada kokenyoru toek kabisa akomi sababu amune siketinye interest ak emetab Canada. Masikoy komwawech balozi kole amune siko kila betut mabeku wikishek kokakimutu rubtot nebunu emetab Canada. Chang tuguk chema sikoi komwa balozi amakitau tetutiet. Evanis kongoi bichu, kongoi biik chok tikiwechi kongoi. Agere Simba moja kakomong Joash kobun kebeberta nobo Kabikwen, kebeberta nimbo Nandi County, mi tune, mi locked ak Togom Isaac, kongoi Arap Togom Isaac, mi kongoi kora TIT Samoe, ko chitab kokwet ing olimbo Moi University olabo Keses, akoi kowakilishani boyondoni karibu counties, karibu constituency nebo Keses ak kowakilishani constituency nebo Kapseret. Kalecho kimi tune ak Mheshimiwa Oscar Kipchumba Sudi. Katweny Mheshimiwa Oscar Kipchumba Sudi, kongoi TIT, angen omi locked, omi ak Mheshimiwa, ikat Mheshimiwa kelechi kitoche akine tiketoche Mheshimiwa eng kenyisiek chemi tai yu konyoni ko tetutieni ikere ne chitab Kalenjin, amu tetutieni keityini biik tugul eng kebeberwek. Kongoi Professor Obed Chelogoi, kakolecha Professor ami tune, ami Trans Nzoia, kale kokabakata sigik eng olimbo Trans Nzoia. Kongoi Professor Chelogoi, Vice Chancellor nebo University of Florida, ako operateni mi olimbo mashinani. Kongoi boisionik cheyoe Professor, kiacknowledgeanin inye koi chito ne ichame somanet ako chang tugun chekiyai. So ngilechechi mi locked, mi tune, ko kiboiboech. Balozi Peter Rono, ngot ikere
kongoi Osea. Ameche atebanan akatak tugul bororietab Kalenjin eng oloboch alechok chamgei, abwoti ale kokararan Christmas sukuku. Mongen ale koune eng oloimi Professor Chelogoi, kongoi katwech boiyot, katwech agui akilechi kichome nebo man akemakchini chemiach. Abwoti ale makolo kenyit nelel koam sukuku komie. Kongoi ngakwek tugul bicho kakologenin cha kakomwa Osea, kemeche kemwa kongoi ing age tugul eng inye. Ameche Osea, mangen ale koune sukuku eng olimbo Australia, angen ale kosir kot konekit ak nin, komachonam akweket komachonam tarik agenge ko yes toonyo nebo rani nekakinyorchi kebeberta nebo Vancouver, Canada. Ko kongoi biikab Canada, kaakas ale mite Matelong komi inendet kebebertab Toronto, Arap Tokoch komite ole kile Ottawa, abwoti ale oboreke ak Snow eng kebebera. Ko toonyo nebo rani komite Cherongo nebo emetab Canada olimbo Vancouver, kolo kora ngole mite biikchu alake, lakini mi saishek somok let eng achek, ko abwoti ale nekit saa 12 eng kebeberta nindo bo anan saa 12 eng kebeberta nindo bo Vancouver ole mite toonyo nebo rani. Ko kenekit siketou, komeche kityo koteimwoiwech ile imyeno atya imwa anan kesom kele oyie yeinyorit ityem isharan ak grupishek chekuket cheimite sikobit keitchi biik chemong'ering betutab rani. Kongoi Simba moja eng boisiet nekararan neiyoe eng olimbo Nandi County, ki appreciateni nebo man akelen oyie testai eng boisiet nekararan noto iyoe ak chi age tugul. Pastor Grace imite kebeberta neb Columbus, kong'etyo karon, angen ale to karon saa 2 eng kebeberta nito kimite achek olep Columbus. Kemeche kemwa kongoi eng biikab Columbus tugul, biik chemite olimbo Europe, kemeche kemwa kongoi biik chemite olimbo Kenya, kemeche kemwa kongoi biik chemi Asia tugul, kelen kongoi biik cheomite ole imi chi, kemeche kele kongoi ak kelechin karibu. Tetutieni ko nebo tos ikere ne chitab Kalenjin. Eng betutab rani ketinye kelchin ketindoi inendet John Kiptum Kuto, toonyo namba 7 nekakinyorchi, komwaun alechin ole kile Vancouver, Canada. Akateb Osea kole iye tos amune siketinye interest ak emonieb Canada. Kochang boroinwek chekokobit king'yemach koko kolep America ole iye uni koyatak olindo bo Canada, ko nekit kotokyigei biik chechang olotok, ako kergei kora emonep nebo Canada ak nebo America, masirekei kiy. Koek kityo ngap kokaitit kitigin, lakini ole mitei murenoni inendet John Kuto kolalang. So ngikere ile mekonye koristo, imuchi ityem kebeberta nindo bo Vancouver, Canada. Kararan kabisa, nyalil emoni, roboni kabisa. Ko sitamwoiwok tuguk chekimuchi kenyorchi kebeberatak bo Vancouver yematianit. Tekesome kityo kele iye yeinyone orit imwa ile imyeno, isubet kong'etegei ano, kityeme siketou tetutiet komatya. Ko kimeche kele kongoi eng chi age tugul, karibu tekelen sukuku nekararan akemokun chemiach, akemeche kenyoru kenyit nelel nebo kaberuret ne notok 2021 kingen kele kokorom 2020 lakini makosirto nitoni komong tuguk che kororonen. Ko kakiker ng'oliotab corona kotekelechino kora oribegei mioni le. Agere biik kabisa ngolin gaa Hosea takotumin emet ako yetesetai biik kou nemakomake kiy matya kolochi biik alake mask tiem ripkei chi amu korom mioni nebo iman. So tekemwoe notok akelen ripkei sup arorutik tugul cho kokon serikali metebi kityo neikwertoigei ilen kibendi nebo man kote kotom koit kerichot ako ndait kotekoni time tom kenyoru ngole kokoit kerichot lakini kikochin fast responders kosinye keityin biik chu alak kekochi biik cheosen korok teketieme kedistributen. So korom kasit ko ngetiem keripkei kou notok ko Hosea ameche kityo teimwa biik cheisubech eng kebebertang'ung atya siketiem kebe ketou tetutiet eng betutab rani. Hosea.
Kongoi Balozi Peter Rono agere namba moja notok ko Sang Abraham ko chitab kokwet eng kebebertab Adelaida kobunu Kabikwen eng olimbo Nandi anan kokwet nekikure Chemwami. Kongoi Abraham ak agere kaingian imi Lokt, agere kora Arap Silo komi kabisa. Arap Silo kende benderet barak kosubet Arap Silo kobunu kokwetab Momoniat eng olimbo Mashinani ako tilietab Kansala John Sulo nabo kebeberta olimbo Kaptet ako mi Lok isubech Arap Silo. Kongoi Arap Silo. Kongoi kora nekure Hillary ko Kaptingei kosubech kobun taonit neo nebo Melbourne, Australia. Ako bunu inendet olimbo Mailine eng kebebertab emetab Kenya. Kongoi nekikure Kiptarbei Arap Ng'eny kosubech kobun taonit neo nebo Western Australia. Ameche kityo alejin Kiptarbei Arap Ng'eny katwoi boisiek chobo kitwek lejini kimi pamoja. Angot president ne notok kosubechini kwa jini nakure Stephen Arap Sitiene kobun kebeberta nimbo Western Australia. Angot Linus, angot Arap Sajin Alfred Sajin kobun kebebertab Western Australia. Kiacknowledgenot angot Justice timit tugul nebo Western Australia. Angot Bishop Sakayo Mutai ak family neng'wa ak family nebo Neema Church kobun kebebertab Western Australia. Kiacknowledgenot kisubo akilen kongoi amu osubechini kwa chini ak biik tugul chakere kotikomong'u Balozi Peter Rono. Kongoi biik chekakoshean kongoi biik chekalecho isubi tetutiet kobun kebebertab olimbo Zimbabwe Lea Cherobon kokale mi kebebertab Zimbabwe akosubechini kwa chini ak biik chebunu kebeberta nebo Doha Qatar komi Paul Arap Chemei bakule kosubech ing yo bakule nan Paul Chemei angot Meshak Kipruto angot chi nekikure Warrior Jacob tugul kokamwa kole isubech kobun kebebertab olimbo Doha Qatar akebe yumbo Dubai kokakomwa Arap Soimo ko chitab olimbo Kapchepsir Tulon lakini kale eng betutab rani kobeberushani anan isubech tetutieni ikere ne chitab kalenjin kosubene taonit neo nebo Dubai. Ango notok comedian ne kainet nenaat ko Chebet kokamwa icheket kende eriolinik barak kole mi icheket mi tune mi locked komi kebebertab olimbo Doha Qatar akebe akoi kebeberta nin angot Mais komi kebeberta nimbo Baghdad ak bichotok bo Saudi Arabia tugul angot Arap Okello ko tugul ko tune isubi tetutiet komi chini kwa chini akebe kebebertab kanyoru biik representative chebunu kebeberta nimbo China komi angot Daktari Ronald Ngetich eng kebeberta nimbo China. Kiwechi kongoi biik tugul chekanyoru ujumbe kele osubech makolos ketou tetutiet nebo betutab rani. Kongoi kora kiacknowledgeni timitab keses kondochi notok TID Felix Kiprono. Kongoi Felix Kiprono isubech notok ko mheshimiwa Felix Kiprono senator nebo kebeberta Kalapkaming, senator nebo kebeberta Baringo County akosubech kobun kebebertab taonit nebo Western Australia. Kongoi Felix kiwechi kongoi ak boisionik tugul cheyoe Felix Kiprono. Filicen kosubech kobun kebebertab olimbo New South Wales, Western Australia akobunu inendet county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet olimbo Kapcherop. Karibu ole kobunu Reverend neng'ung Balozi Peter Rono kakomong chitab kokwet nebo mchungaji kosubech akosubenech kebebertab Western Australia. Arap Chak eng kainet nenaat ko Abu komi taonitab New South Wales kokwet nekikure Buxton. Kongoi Abu isubech kakoingian mi looks ako mi tune igani tugul tetutiet nebo betutab rani. Tos ngotko tiko mi chi neigere
Osea kongoi nye Osea. Agere kora Vincent Ngetich Kipkemboi komitei Tokyo ko noto ko Japan, kimeche kemwa kongoi, kakekerin Felix Kibrono, kakekerin Ian Arap Sulu, ole kure Zulu abwati Arap Sulu, mangen ngototupche ak Arap Sulu nimbo olin, kemeche kemwa kongoi ngakwek tugul. Kongoi agere kele oyie nekit kakoek represented emotinwek tugul eng ng'ony komugul. Kongoi Chebet inendet ko comedian komi kebeberta nindo bo Middle East ak akwek tugul biikab Middle East kemeche ketach ak biik chomi Kenya kemeche kele karibu. Kibendi ketou tetutiet nguno ko matya abwoti ale dakikayat inege neketinye ko ngoto kaieku tayari inyendet Osea kityo imwoiwo eng yo siketou tetutiet asikobit ketestai eng betutab rani. Akimwoiwo kelechok ni ko tetutieng'ung nebo tos ikere ne chitab Kalenjin, kitinye rani kelchin ketinye toot ne noto kekure John Kiptum Kuto kokakinyorchi inendet taonitab Vancouver eng olimbo emetab Canada ko taonyo namba 7 kemeche ketach eng kongoi John Kuto keib kasarta sikobit kemite tugul. Kimeche kebe safarini, kimeche keisup safaritab inendet kong'etegei ole bunu, meche sikomwoiwech akoi ole mite nguno eng betutab rani. Ko Osea ngo kaieku tayari abwoti ale kokakibe, ngotko kaieku tayari imwoiwo kongoi. Kongoi kasubikchok ak kastoikchok tugul cheosubech eng betutab rani. Ni ko tetutieng'ung nebo tos ikere ne chitab Kalenjin. Kityeme kiro kele oyie kakitestai eng tetutioni kechergei. Abwoti ale nitok is to inspire one another as a community as we continue looking for our people from all corners of the world. Kibendi kecheng'e biikchok kobun tokwek cheterchin, ole king'etie ole boch, kisubi kot kenai kele imyeno. Kemeche kesom kele ngotimi ole imi imuchi inboxenwech asikonech namba siketyem kecheng'in anan kekurin eng ole imi. Ko kongoi eng biik chekokenyoru choto omite kebebertab Tokyo, kokenyoru biik chemi Middle East, kokenyorunote biikchok ak ingen sine nambarishek chemong'ering eng ole mite. Ko kimeche kemwa kongoi eng akwek tugul cheomite Kenya, cheomite Europe, cheomite Asia, cheomite North America, South America, kemeche kemwa kongoi ak ketachak. Taonyo nebo rani ko namba 7 inendet kekure John Kiptum Kuto nekakinyorchi kokeny taonitab Vancouver, Canada. Ko yekiwege kemeche kisup keker kele tos ne nekenyorchin emonito bo Canada. Ko kuye kokeketyi ko emoni ko tinye boroinwek chechang, opportunities chemong'ering eng emonito bo Canada, noto amune siketokchinigei unda atkan kora ko kokimutu toek, kikimutu toot nekibun kebebertab Canada nyekebe olimbo Hungary kenyoru mwalimu nyekeng'etyi eng olo ketestai kebe Australia, Western Australia, nyekewege kebwa America, nguno nyekebe Mexico. Ak nikakewege nyekebwa kora kebebertab North America betusiek tutigin chekosirto eng yo. Nyakitar eng yutok ko kakibe olimbo Canada ole kakinyorchi inendet John Kuto anan John Kiptum Kuto. Ko emonito bo Canada ko eng biik chemengen anan ko kakityem kityo kiro kele tia emoni ko oo emoneb Canada nebo man, nekit ko namba 2 eng emotinwek tugul eng ng'ony. Tindoi nekikure 9,984,670 kilometer square, noto ko kergei ak abwoti ale 3511 0.023 square miles. Namba oeng eng ng'ony nekit ngele milionishek eng yo ko namba oeng eng emet anan eng ng'ony komugul. Population netindoi emoni ngao ko namba oeng eng ng'ony kotindoi population nebo million 38. Ikere ile ng'eringen biikab emoni kosir emetab Kenya, ako emoni kowendi Kenya sabarishek 10 abwoti ale wendi sabarishek 17 emetab Kenya, emetab Canada, ako tindoi 38 million biik kityo. Notok ko namba eng population ko namba 38 eng ng'ony komugul. Tindoi kora mogornotet neo emoni. 2020 ko kitindoi 1.812 trillion dollars ko namba 16 eng ng'ony. Per capita income ngepchei mogornotetab emoni kepchechi chitugul nebo emetab Canada koibe chitugul $47,993,000. Notok ko namba 17 eng ng'ony. Emoni keng'ololi Kiingereza ak French. So ngi official languages chebo emoni ko Kiingereza ak French. So kebeberta nebo Quebec ko ng'oliotab French, lakini emet komugul ko Kiingereza, lakini official languages ko chotok. Ko taonit ne kakinyorchi John Kuto nitok kikure British Columbia, ko kou kikamwa akinye ko kianyoru kelchin kora awe emonitok anan emoni Canada, kiawe taonitab Vancouver. Kararan kabisa, known for its beauty, yani tililindonyi ko naat eng ng'ony komugul. Negit kotindoi chekile blue skies, tilondo komite snow, kararan kabisa. Famous emonitok anan taoninitok ing amitwogik cho kikure seafood. Ngimeche samakiat nekikure salmon fish kenyorchin olotok, crabs, tukyo tugul bo oinet ko naat taonitab Vancouver eng chotok. Tindoi kora chekile great theaters, kikure negit komwoe biik kole Hollywood North, yani angingen kele Hollywood komi California, lakini mite barakutab California, lakini ngemeche keshuten pichainik chechang kebendi yundok. So industry nebo television, nebo filming komi barak eng kebeberitak. Ngot ko chi neichome ng'alekab theater chebo movies, ko ngot iwe taoninitok ko rahisi inyorchini kelchin. Nyalil kabisa taoninitoni amu roboni kabisa, ko kororon mauek kabisa. Ng'alekab timber choto baoinik kenyorchin olotok, ko kianyoru kelchin awe, ko kinyawe kiabun melit nekiwendi akoi olimbo Victoria, Canada, kong'etege Vancouver. Ko yetabwoti banatak kararan kabisa. Tindoi beaches che kororonen, masindok aquarium ne kararan. Mi ng'alekab brewing kora, maiyek ko naat kora eng olotok ng'alekab maiyek. It's a great city to visit. Ngot imeche iwe irutochi ko taonit ne kararan neyome kerutochi. So chitab Kalenjin ngimeche ityem iwe kebeberatak kobo komonut. Meche sitaketyem kimutu kora biik alak olindok kimutu chito inendet Arap Or netinyegei ak ng'alekab migration. Ko ngrani ketinye kelchin ketinye chi anan taonyo nemi yu meche sikoi komwoiwech kele tokchingei ne, ako kinyatar sukul kolya, ako mi ole mi sikisub bandanyi tugul. Ko kimeche ketachin asikobit ketestai ak bandab inendet John Kuto ko taonyo namba 7 nekakinyorchi Vancouver, Canada eng tetutienyo nebo tos ikere ne chitab Kalenjin. Ko yotok ameche awek anyor inendet Hosea ketou tetutiet kisub taonyo. Ko kotomo keit yotok akerin Florence Kipkore, abwoti ale mite Columbus, Ohio. Nitok ko nebo pastor, kitochin kongoi nye Florence. Akerin Sami Kiprop, mongen ale kale miono mi Nairobi, ko kongoi nye Sami Kiprop, imite kebebertab Nairobi. Ko karibu kimeche kebe ketepse inendet taonyo nitok John Kuto. Ko ameche awek akoi kebeberta nindo bo Adelaide asikobit ketach taonyo kokatech atya kotestai eng yotoyo. So ameche awek kebeberta ng'ung Hosea testai kong'etege u sanam eng kwen olin.
Balozi Bitarona, kongoi ang patina kaikonech background nebo kebebertab olimbo Vancouver, Canada, ole kakinyorchi taonyo eng betutab rani. Kongoi biik cheagere kotunen in, kongoi Pauline Cherop, mama kobun kebebertab olimbo Nairobi, ako chi neisubet kabisa eng tetutik tugul Gil Kip ko chitab kokwet ndereboindet eng yo yobo karibu kabutindet. Kongoi Sami Kiprop, agere kora Emma Mayo ak biik tugul Cheleme Kipto ak biik tugul. Ameche kityo somwawek biik cho kole osubenech ano, onyorchinech ano eng betutab rani sikosikchi kiro akichek kole kinyorundoi, kole kirichiondoi kou bicho kolechech mi Tokyo Japan kebendi ketoche icheket betusiek chemi tai yo. Ameche kityo balozi awech kongoi eng totab betutab rani nekakenyoru. Inendet ko John Guto. John Guto itagat eng tetutiet ni ikere ne chitab kalenjin. Kitinye kelchin kenyoruni eng betutab rani. John Guto amaitestai mwage. John Guto ko ng'o chichi kekure John Guto?
Kongoi Ambassador Rono again Hosea. Koro gasama kale kabaishe in Nandi Kiingereza ak Kiswahili amu mata ngalalin Nandi mising kikisikcho town awe school town ak sayami abroad, so mata ngalalin kutit mising, so mahali nitakwama nitaongea Kiswahili watu wengi wasikie nyumbani, na ikiwa ngumu sana nitatumia Kiingereza. Ya pili nataka kushukuru sana Ambassador Rono kwa ile kazi nzuri anafanya. Ametusaidia, anatufuatilia kuhakikisha tumekaa vizuri na kutusaidia wakati tunakwama. Amenisaidia mara nyingi sana. Nataka kushukuru sana Ambassador Rono. Thank you so much for your kindness and generosity. I am where I am because you gave me that hand and you blessed me, so I thank you so much. Watu wengine ningependa kushukuru ni marehemu Eliud Wesonga. Alikuwa chairman wa athletics high school in Kenya. Nashukuru pia Auntie Kapsabet Grace Chesang, niliweza kufaulu kwa safari yangu ya kwenda ng'ambo kwa sababu alinihost huko Kapsabet wakati nilikuwa na train kwa club ya Peter Rono. Na sitaki kusahau Dr. Charles Wambulwa, aliniongelesha kwa maneno ya Canada, akaniambia US sio mwisho kuja huku Canada, and that's how I landed here. They hosted me in Nova Scotia. Wakanilea kama mtoto mpaka nikajishikilia chini nikaenda kwa independent. So thank you for all these people. So my names as Hosea and Ambassador Rono have said is John Kudo. Nyumbani ni Kipkaren River. Iko pande ya Nyenyile, Uasin Gishu County. Nilianza huko nursery, alafu nikachukuliwa na baba nikaenda Nanyuki sababu baba yangu alikuwa mwanajeshi. So alinichukua Nanyuki mahali alikuwa, nikaanza primary huko. Nikasoma mpaka standard 7. Akakuwa transferred to Thika, which is in Nairobi area. So nikafanya class 8 huko. Alafu nikaitwa Moi Forces Academy, Nairobi. And after that is the whole story. Maybe mtaniuliza vile ilifanyika mpaka mahali niko. So yes.
Asante John Guto, pole, singependa kukukatiza, lakini kwa wasikilizaji wetu wanaotufuatilia kwa mtandao ya kijamii J-Subecha wanaotufuata. So John Guto, umelelewa Nyenyile, umesoma. So baada ya kumaliza high school yako kwa Moi Forces ukaelekea wapi John Guto?
So wacha nianze kwa kurudi nyuma kidogo hapo high school. My last year in high school, which was 1995, I was a runner. I was running for Nairobi, or my school, Moi Forces, and I was able to proceed to the nationals. So that was big in Kenya. If you go to the nationals, then you must be really good in athletics. So nilikimbilia Nairobi, where Eliud Wesonga was based. He was at Starehe Boys. So I was at Moi Forces, but Mr. Wesonga aliniita wakati nilikuwa naelekea kumaliza form 4 kwa sababu nilienda nationals that year 95, ilikuwa Eldoret, and nika-perform vizuri sana. So in the hits nilikuwa number 1 kwa 400 hurdles na number 4 kwa 400 flat. So Mr. Wesonga akaniongelesha kwa mafumbo tu, aliniambia, John Kudo, good job, you know there are these scholarships. So those words ilizidi kunipatia maswali, those scholarships. Sasa nilikuwa nashindwa hizi ni nini. So wakati nilimaliza exams KCPE, nikaenda kumtafuta Starehe, tafuta marehemu Wesonga, nikamuuliza, what did you mean by scholarships? Akaniambia, wewe umekimbilia Nairobi vizuri, umetu represent vizuri, so there are these scholarships ya kwenda US, athletic scholarship, unaenda unasoma for free. So that is how it all started. Nikasikia hivyo, nikakosa tamaa ya kitu ingine, nikasema mimi America. So at that time it was big thing, and it was like US for us was like heaven, another heaven. So sikutaka kitu ingine, nikamuuliza nifanye nini niweze kwenda America. So akaniambia natakana nifanye TOEFL na SAT, Scholastic Aptitude Test. So he helped me with that, and I did TOEFL and SAT, which really took me a lot of time from 1995 to 1998 when I was able to clear with NCA. So all that was help from Mr. Wesonga. Nika clear na NCA. Meanwhile, my dad had asked me, what do you want? Wakati nilimaliza shule, nikamwambia nimeambiwa maneno ya scholarship America, and that's what I really want. So my dad alinisupport, akanilipia TOEFL, akanilipia SAT, nikafanya clearance. 1998 akaniuliza, na hii maneno ya US namna gani? Nikamwambia nangoje, inachukua muda mrefu.
Nakuta ukiwa harakati ya kungoja ulikuwa unafanya nini? Kwa sababu unatuambia ulimaliza ukakaa kwa karibu miaka 3. Ulikuwa unafanya nini ukingoja kwenda?
Yes.
Na ulikuwa umepata grade gani kuta kwa wasikilizaji wetu? Ulikuwa na options ya kuingia machuo cha Kenya, ama ulikuwa umeamua hata kama ni nini lazima nielekee upande wa Amerika?
Wacha niseme mimi nilikuwa above average student, lakini sikuwa ati msomi ati kupata A, B. So mimi nilipata C+ my forces, which was still good, but it was not good enough to get me into a university in Kenya. Kwa ile selection ya government ningeweza kuingia through private kama babangu angejiweza kunilipia, so siwezi sema angeweza kulipa university ya Kenya. But my dad was really good and concerned that he asked me, so while you are waiting for your scholarship, can you work? Can I get you a job? So I say, oh yes, Dad, yes. So my dad got me a job in British American Tobacco Factory in Thika. And I was very lucky, hiyo tumbako na harufu nilikuwa nimeogopa. So Mungu akanifanyia maajabu, nikaingia quality assurance department, so kuchukua sample na kuangalia the quality, and I did that for almost a year, and I was still waiting. After getting the job, I was still waiting, and my family knew mimi nangoja ngambo, but at least I was able to keep myself busy. Na wacha niseme siku hata na save hiyo pesa, sababu nilikuwa kwa comfort zone ya wazazi, na kula nyumbani, naishi nyumbani, so ilikuwa tu pocket money na ngoja ngambo. Yeah.
Nakuta, it's so interesting. So when time ulikuwa una work on a tobacco industry, how much did those guys used to pay you?
I remember it was so quality department walikuwa nalipwa juu kidogo kushinda wengine, so sisi tulikuwa contracted, tulikuwa tunalipwa per day. So mimi yangu ilikuwa 150 shillings per day. wengine walikuwa wanalipwa 100 shillings per day, so mimi kwa fortunate, nashukuru Mungu, nilikuwa nalipwa 150 per day, so at the end of the week nilikuwa na pesa mzuri ya pocket money.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So then what happened?
So what happened is that I knew 3 other students that were offered scholarship by Marehemu Eliud Wesonga. So it was me, Dr. Charles Wambulwa, and a guy called Kipto and Kimaru. So there was 4 of us that finished in 1995. So what happened in the background, I was also seeing Wesonga a lot. I was visiting him in Starehe Boys. I was going to check, hey, how is the scholarship going? And the thing that kept me so vividly, anxiously waiting to go was that when I went, there was good news. Said, oh, Kipto went. Oh, Kimaru has gone. So that kept me hopeful that, oh, I'm the next one. I'm the next one. So what happened is that I continued working, and all the 3 went, and I started feeling something. So ilichukua miaka 4 bado niko Kenya, nikasema lazima nifanye kitu. Pengine Mungu ananiona niko comfortable, so maybe anataka ni take a step of faith ndio niende, sababu mimi sioni kwa nini wengine wameenda mimi nimebaki. So at that time nilikuwa pia naongea na some people, na kuna a family member anaitwa Geoffrey Lagata, alikuwa ameniambia kuna club huko Kapsabet pia vijana wanaenda na wasichana wanaenda scholarship. Kuna coach anaitwa Peter Rono anapeleka watu kama maji, so Geoffrey used to come to the barracks because his uncle, our uncle, was also working with my dad in the military. So I used to see him once in a while. So when he told me that made me take the step of faith to quit my job and to be serious, to show God that I really want this scholarship. So nikaenda Kapsabet, nikawacha kila kitu Nairobi, nikashika safari, nikaenda Kapsabet kutafuta Peter Rono. So yes. that is yeah.
So after kwenda Kapsabet ilienda ikachukua muda gani Kapsabet, alafu line yako ikafunguka kwenda US?
So it was quick, not quick like I thought. Mimi nilifikiri tu nitaenda Rono aone huyu jamaa amekimbia, nilikuwa na Kenya Secondary Schools certificate ya nationals, nilikuwa number 3 kwa finals, so na nimefanya clearance ya NCAA. So mimi nilifikiria nikienda akinikubali nitaenda maybe in few weeks ama a month, mimi niko ready. But ambassador is really wise, so he looked at that and said, this is very good. So what he said to me encouraged me a lot. Aliniambia, John Kuto, unajua wewe yako ni rahisi sana. Unakimbia, uko na grade mzuri. Sasa wewe ni kama mtu mwenye amepotea, mwenye ametoka Kapsabet anaenda Eldoret, alafu aulize mtu hapo kwa daraja. Wakati umefika Eldoret unakuta mtu hapo kwa daraja. Kuna daraja hapo ya kuvuka ndio uende like the other side ya Eldoret. Niambie unauliza mtu kwa daraja, na Eldoret ni wapi? So umefika, mtu tu anakuambia si Eldoret ni hapo. So Rona akaniambia that is what it is to me. Akaniambia sasa wewe ni kama unaenda US na unanitafuta, unataka kwenda US, umefika because uko na kila kitu. So ilini encourage. Akaniambia what I want you to do is just to train. If I take you, I want to be sure I took someone that is really good in running. There's no doubt, but you are a 400-meter runner. You have very good time, 49 seconds personal best, and hurdles, 50 seconds. That's not too bad. But Rono akaniambia, that time the high school kids run that time in the US. So akaniambia, mimi nataka ushift from 4 hurdles to middle distance. So akaniambia nitakutrain ukimbie 800 at least na 15. And then tafuta tu mahali ufanye mazoezi na the rest of the team. When you'll be ready, I'll give you a scholarship. Akaniambia that's no big deal to me. So nikaongea na Geoffrey, akaniambia yeah sasa si uko home, so acha tuongee na Madhe. So Auntie Grace Chesang akaniambia yeah of course, karibu nyumbani. So hata hawakunilipiza chochote, you know. Auntie Grace alinichunga kwake, alinikaribisha kwake, akaniambia wewe fanya mazoezi, you know, akanilisha kama mtoto wake, na wakakuwa na patience na mimi, and nika-train na the rest of the team in Kapsabet for 1 year. So I stayed there for 1 year, and I started running really well in mid distance. So Rono at that time akatumana I-20 mara moja. So I got an I-20 from a school in Florida through Peter Rono. 1 year.
1 year. So ukapata I-20. So kwa wasikilizaji wetu, so kupata I-20 ukaenda Florida?
Yeah, nikaenda Nairobi, visa tu ikakuwa hivyo mara moja, nikaelekea.
So what sasa, at least sasa tumetoka from Kapsabet to Florida. So ulienda ukajiunga na shule gani na ukasomea nini ukiwa upande wa Florida?
Yeah, so niliitwa shule inaitwa Warner College, kwa sasa inaitwa Warner University for Central Florida. So nilipofika huko tayari nilikuwa make up my mind tasomea nini, juu niliangalia zile educational programs wako nayo. Nikasema nitasomea computer science ama at least business administration. So hizo hawakuwa na a lot of programs. Nilikuwa napenda sciences, but lakini hawakuwa na sciences. So that is what ningechukua huko. Nikaanza shule that fall, because nilienda summertime, but there were no classes in summer. So nikaanza classes that fall, na ikaenda tu vizuri mpaka karibu nikamaliza semester mzima. But I think things hazikuenda vizuri sana towards the end of the semester.
So good, wasikiliza, so interesting. What nini iliendelea Mr. Kuta, kwa sababu umetuambia the end of the semester ulianza vizuri, in the process nini iliendelea?
Yeah, so wacha niseme, I think ile background yangu nilitoka naye nyumbani, I think haikunipa a very good foundation, you know. Mimi nililelewa bila shida, sikuwa nimejua shida. So nilipokuwa shuleni kidogo nilianza kuwa na stress sababu ya coach wangu. I think alianza kuni challenge kwa maneno, kwa scholarship pia, vile alikuwa promise Ambassador Rono ya kwamba atanipa full scholarship, but wakati nilifika huko ikakuwa kama sio full scholarship. Akatuweka kwa madeni hapa na pale, kama kwa chakula akasema tukule cafeteria alafu tutalipa, you know. So ikani stress kidogo, na kwa sababu mimi sikuwa nimejua shida, I think nikakasirika, nikasema hapana, mimi sitaendelea na hii. So nikaanza kutafuta transfer, alafu coach akakuja akajua nataka kutransfer, so naye pia akakasirika. So ikakuwa ni kama sasa tunavurutana mimi na coach, na kidogo. So sijui alifanya nini, sababu kuna siku moja aliniita kwake usiku, akanipa chakula, kinywaji. So like kesho yake tulikuwa na big meet, na hiyo siku kimbia, so nilikuwa tunajisikia mgonjwa. So sijui nini nilifanyika, lakini after that nilisikia tu watu wamenipigia simu, you know. Rono always kept in touch with the people he helped out. So Rono akanipigia simu, my students wananiambia pole, tunasikia umegonjeka. So actually sikuwa mgonjwa, lakini you know the whole club waliniombea, wakaniombea na wakani wish very well, but things did not go well after that. So after that sikuendelea na hiyo shule, nikajaribu transfer. Rono akanisaidia nikapata shule ingine inaitwa Taylor University huko Indianapolis. So after your semester.
So kuta before that niko sama interested. At times saa zingine tukiwa huko Australia like hii scholarship atunanga, lakini kuna kitu inaitwa side hustle. Unachapa kazi kwa program yenu haikuwa possible uchape side hustle like kama like issue ilikuwa food, issue ilikuwa nini. Ungeweza kufanya kazi within the campus ama outside of the campus so that you sustain your scholarship. Ama ilikuwa na condition gani?
Tulikuwa na kazi. Nilikuwa na Mkenya mwenzangu hapo alikuwa na kazi yake. Mimi nilikuwa nafanya kazi kwa library, lakini hiyo pesa si ati ingetosha tulipe kama cafeteria. I mean ingechukua a lot of time. So sikuwa worried that hatuna chakula ama hatuna nini. I was just angry that nilikuwa nakimbia vizuri, nilikuwa na grade yenye ilikuwa required, lakini I felt like sikuwa mahali mzuri. Watu wengine nilikuwa na feel like watu wengine hako wanaweza kimbia kama mimi, lakini walipata mashule mzuri, si lazima wafanye kazi. Ile kazi wanafanya wanatuma pesa nyumbani, lakini sasa mimi naona nikifanya kazi itarudi kwa shule nilipe deni ya chakula na vitabu. So I think ile background yangu ya kwamba nilikuwa najua nakimbia vizuri na nilikuwa na grade mzuri, nilikuwa naona kama I deserved a full ride scholarship. So it was like a sense of entitlement, na I guess sikuwa nimekuwa mature enough. Unajua kama ningekuwa mature enough ningevumilia hizo vitu, because kuna watu hawana chochote na mimi naona I was really blessed, but I think I took all those things for granted. Nikaanza kujiambia mimi sikukuwa na shida nyumbani, hata afadhali nirudi nyumbani, those kind of things which I think after going through what I went through nilijilaumu kidogo, nikasema ni vizuri kuvumilia ile kidogo umepewa, afadhali ushikilie juu watu wengine hawana kama hiyo wewe umepata. So that is what happened. Si ati singeweza kulipa, ningeweza kulipa. Kazi ilikuwa mingi sana. Hata saa zingine tulikuwa tunakataa kwenda kufanya kazi sababu tunataka kukimbia vizuri. So badala ya kazi tunataka mazoezi. Tunataka kufanya classwork tupate grades nzuri na kupumzika. As an athlete ndio perform vizuri lazima pia upumzike. So there were jobs, lakini mimi sikuwa nataka kuhaso kama niko huko. Nilikuwa nataka nipewe kila kitu. So nilikuwa na makosa kidogo pia hapo mimi.
So in the event ukiwa hiyo harakati ya kung'ang'ana, shule imesindikana, so what finally ukafikishana wapi na maneno ya shule US, na in the process ya hii shule ya kwanza imekatana, so ukaelekea shule ya pili, ama kwa sababu tumekupata ukiwa Vancouver, Canada, so tunajaribu kujua what really happened ukiwa hiyo harakati ya US.
Yeah, so nilienda shule ya pili Taylor, so ikakuwa tu ni down for like hata sikuweza kusettle huko. So I think nilikaa like a week or two and nikajikuta tu like out of place, yani hakuna kitu ilienda vizuri. So nikaamua like afadhali kurudi nyumbani, but Ambassador Rono alikuwa in the background, so aliongea na coach all the time, and also I think he managed to find a sponsor kuninunulia ticket ya kwenda nyumbani. Lakini as I said, he's very wise. Hakuacha nirudi nyumbani, walinituma niende Daystar University. So what they tried to do was to send me as an exchange program student to Daystar.
Yes.
And so niende nikae huko like a month, kila kitu ikuwe settle back in the US, ndo nirudi kama nimesettle, either nirudi kwa shule yangu ile ya kwanza ama nirudi ya pili Taylor. So I had those two options. So nikanunuliwa ticket, nikaenda nyumbani, and that's how nilirudi baada ya mwaka moja, almost a year or less. It was about 9 months.
So which means finally ukakaa for more than 2 years, 3 years, ukarudi tu nyumbani after kukaa kwa Daystar, ukaamua ukarudi nyumbani.
Hata si kwenda Daystar, so kila kitu enye ilifuata baada ya Florida ilikuwa tu bad and going to worse. So nilipoenda Kenya nikajiambia like siwezi enda tu shule direct Daystar na family hawajui nini inafanyika. Family hawajui niko Kenya. So nika decide kwenda nyumbani kwanza. Nisalimie wazazi, niwaelezee nini inafanyika, niwaambie niko Kenya kwa muda fupi Daystar. So nikaenda nyumbani kabla ya kureport Daystar, and things just went so bad. Nilipofika nyumbani asubuhi nikapatana na babangu anaenda kazini. Alishtuka sana, "John, uko Kenya?" So nikamwambia, "Oh yeah dad, niko Kenya kidogo." Akaniambia, "Nimechelewa, tutaongea jioni. Karibu nyumbani." Akanipatia kifunguu. So me say that day alienda, kumbe alikuwa anaenda hospitali, alikuwa anaenda Memorial Hospital. Akaenda, kumbe alikuwa jisikii vizuri, so akaenda akalazwa hospitali. Mkamgoja hakurudi, so niliambiwa baada ya siku chache ni mgonjwa. Kumbe alikuwa anahitaji surgery, so alifanyiwa surgery. So hiyo yote ikaharibu maneno ya Daystar, so si kwenda Daystar.
So kukonjeka ama alistuka umefika nyumbani mpaka mzee akaenda akalazwa hospitali? Ama ilikuwa coincidence?
Unajua nilishtuka sana, nikasema nimefanya baba akagonjeka, amestuka, but nilikuwa redeemed after learning what was going on. It was just a coincidence. Alikuwa na condition yenye ilikuwa inahitaji surgery, and it was not like haikuwa kitu yenye inaweza ua mtu. So alikuwa tu anaenda normal appointment, and then akalazwa. Hakuwa anatarajia, I think alikuwa kwa laini, akafika akaambiwa kuna nafasi, so akalazwa, akafanyiwa surgery yake, akapona. But that costed a few months. So nilikuwa home, nikaamua kwenda kusalimia wengine like my brothers. So time went fast. So because I had been told I'll be there for 1 month, I was counting on that. So nikafikiria after 1 month, even though si kwenda Daystar nitarudi. But that costed another one big thing. So it was a condition that if I went to Daystar, ningekuwa exchange program student, and so I was told the ticket I got was one way. So they were to send me a return ticket after I finish a month in Daystar. So because sikwenda Daystar, ticket haikutumwa. So na nikaambiwa, so nimepoteza ticket na nimepoteza status, because sasa nilikuwa student, so sasa sikwenda shule Daystar, so mimi nika lose status ya student. So nikaambiwa lazima nianze square one, ningoje niulize another I-20.
Na ukiwa harakati, asante sana Kuto, hiyo historia yako so fascinating, so interesting. So in the event ukiwa harakati ya kungoja, so najaribu kuicomplain your story. Ama ilikuwa a strategy ya wewe like kwenda Daystar, ilikuwa strategy ya kutoka from US kwenda huko ukaribia karibu home, because umeconfess kwa life ya US ilikuwa imekulemea?
No, haikuwa strategy, sikujua. Unajua, as I said, Ambassador Rono anafuatilia students wote wenye anasaidia. So kitu ikifanyika kwa student, he is very active and he participates in everything that happens to make sure that the student is successful. So that was their plan for me that could work for me. Mimi hata sikujua, ni kama ile baraka yenye ilikuwa inanifuata bila hata kujua, like sikuwa najua I can do that. So they offered me as an option. So I was just following through and I was counting it as a blessing. So at that point sikuwa nimeona kama nimepoteza kila kitu. Nilikuwa naona bado niko na chance, and nilikuwa bado naona ile baraka za Rono na hiyo kuhakikisha yake ya kwamba mtu amesucceed. I could see that being active in what was happening. So I was just going with the raw. Nilikuwa tunafuata nikisema ya kwamba kuna njia, na nilikuwa tunasikiza chenye naambiwa. So at that time sasa sikuwa na strategy anymore.
So ulikuwa unafuatilia anything yenye inakuja along the way?
Yeah.
Now, what about the state of your nini? Ulikuwa like, because umefika huko Kenya, in the event your data car was 6. How was the reaction of the rest of your family? Because it reminds me in a story of a Bible. Inaitwa a protocol son. A protocol son, mjamaa alitoka akaamua akaenda, baadaye kurudi. The rest of the family wengine walikuwa disappointed, wengine baba yake. So how was the view of the rest of your family after umeenda, because walikupeleka US with a lot of expectation, na wewe pia ulikuwa umesema hutaki kusomea mashule za Kenya na unataka kwenda US. How was the reaction of the rest of your family?
So umeongea ni kama umeanalyze mpaka umejua ukweli. So in the background was really bad. I must be honest. Nilikuwa rejected na family, and only a very few people did not give up on me, and one of them is Dr. Charles. So mimi na Dr. Charles tulibuild a very good friendship because tukiwa high school walini respect because I used to beat everybody in Nairobi in track, but then I respected them because they were Starehe boys, so they always had very good grades, A, everything A, and so that gave us a very good bond. So I was in good friendship na Dr. Charles in high school, and we continued that even in university. Vile tulienda, tulijikuta wote Florida, so that was awesome. So let me say he also continued following up what is happening to me. So nikiwa Kenya alizidi kunitafuta, just as Rono was doing on his part, but also Dr. Charles alikuwa ananitafuta na anaangalia nini imefanyika, nini anaweza, hata pia akajaribu kunisaidia. So yeye haku give up na mimi, but my family in Kenya hakuna mtu alikuwa anataka kuniona, I know my brothers are there watching. I have 3 wonderful brothers, but our elder brother is called Nick. He's very strict. He was mad at me. Why did you come back? Sasa hauna pesa, hauna education, so hataki kuongea na mimi. Mama, baba, hata nini ifanyike, mtoto ni mtoto, so walinipenda tu, wananiuliza wanisaidia aje, but hawakuwa na uwezo ya kunisaidia anymore because kuna watoto wengine. My dad alikuwa almost retiring, so it was very hard on our family. Nikaenda kukaa na my aunt in Eldoret, akachoka. Nikaenda kwa uncle, akakuja akanichukua, akasema kuja, niko na jirani mwenye anakimbia, tutaomba huyo mkimbiaji akusaidie. So uncle akanichukua akanipeleka kwa mkimbiaji. Mkimbiaji akajaribu kuangalia shida ni nini, akaona si bado niko na visa, I had a 5 years visa. Akasema so shida ni nini? Ikakuwa ticket. Tutakufanyia harambee. Wakanifanyia harambee ya kanisa, so ticket haikuja. So that is what happened. Ingawaje family walikasirika wengi, but kuna wenye walijaribu kunisaidia nirudi na ikakuwa mainly the ticket
so ya kurudi US ya pili, the challenge ilikuwa ticket.
Yes, nilikuwa bado na valid visa, ilikuwa 5 years. So ticket nilipo lose status after not going to Daystar, nika lose status, ikakuwa sasa ni ticket ndio problem, but visa iko. Because tulikuwa tunaamini ningerudi Florida, coach angekataa kunichukua. You know, I was running good and I was good. So nilimwambia nataka kurudi. So alikuwa amesema sawa, ukirudi sawa. So ticket tu ikakuwa shida second time. Na unajua first time sikuwa na shida yote ya ticket. My 3 brothers and my dad walichanga tu akaninunulia ticket. So sasa this second time ikakuwa big problem.
So ukangangana tu. So what in the event hii ticket imekwama, ulikuwa unafanya nini meanwhile? Ama ulikuwa bado unaendelea kutrain, ama ulipata kibarua yenye uliweza kusurvive nayo Kenya? Na ulikaa for how long Kenya ukingangana? Because umesema ulikaa kwa relative wa kwanza akachoka, ya pili ukaenda huko akakupeleka kwa mkimbiaji fulani. So in this event ulichangwa for how long Kuto?
Yeah, so the second time it was really bad because nilirudi kama mtoto, yani sina mpango, sijui nifanye nini, alafu nategemea watu kunisaidia. So nilikuwa tu nakaa na relatives hivyo nikingoja namna ya kupata ticket. So nilikuwa natoka kwa huyu, ikiwa imeanza kukaa ngumu naenda kwa mwingine. Alafu nikaenda kurudi Nairobi, and one of them akaamua nikupeleke kwa mheshimiwa. At that time the deputy president alikuwa MP wetu wa Eldoret North, and he was just a wonderful man. Alikuwa anasaidia watu sana, like personal problems, you know, mtu ana fees anaenda anapeana pesa ya fees. So this man akanipeleka akamwambia sasa ukijana amekwama anahitaji ticket. And so mheshimiwa kusikia hivyo akasema ni wa Kipkaren River, si tunataka watoto kama hawa huko Kipkaren River. Sasa you know huko Kipkaren River tuna hata mtu ameenda ngambo. So he was happy and he said he will buy me a ticket. So hopes zangu zikarudi. So hiyo ilikuwa imechukua almost another 3 years.
Yes.
Hii process yote. And third year nikiwa sijui nini itafuata, nikapatana na mheshimiwa Ruto, akasema ataninunulia ticket. Nikapata nafuu, nikabidi sasa nifanye vile anataka, because he was still establishing himself. So he gave a condition. He said, nataka kijana to arrange a small meeting huko, you know, Kipkaren River kwa village, aite wazee wa village, alafu nikuje kama harambee nipeane hiyo pesa, you know. So ikabidi nifanye hivyo, ikabidi nirudi kwa village niongee na wazee, kasema mheshimiwa anataka kuja kupeana pesa ya ticket. Kina Faruk wakati huo ndo alikuwa, you know, wanafanya kazi ya mheshimiwa sana. So Faruk alikuwa anajua my brother Dominic, so akajaribu kusaidia, akasema yes tufanye hii mambo. So katikati ya hiyo tukingoja mheshimiwa kuje anipatie pesa ya ticket, mimi niliambiwa baadaye ya kwamba kuna mtu alikata, akaenda kwa mheshimiwa akamkataza, akamwambia mheshimiwa huyo kijana wachana naye, tunajua ya kwamba alienda Amerika akatumia madawa akaharibika akili, wachana naye kabisa. So mheshimiwa akaacha kunisaidia, so hakuja kunitolea ticket.
Aliingia nyasi, ulijaribu kumkola ama alienda mteja?
So the man mwenye alinipeleka kwake akashangaa kwa nini mheshimiwa hajaninunulia ticket, na nimekaa kwa village another almost 4 months. So akanitumanishia akasema niende nimuone. So nikarudi Nairobi. The guy alikuwa mwanajeshi pia. He was to marry my aunt, so he was a close relative. So nilienda nikamwambia, sasa mimi nimejaribu sana kufuata mheshimiwa lakini inaonekana imekuwa ngumu, maybe hata nisaidia, I don't know the reason. Akasema usijali. So this man wanasikizana na mheshimiwa sana, yeye anaenda bila appointment na anakubaliwa kuingia. So akaniambia tutapanga twende. Akanipeleka ofisi ya mheshimiwa Nairobi bila appointment, tukakubaliwa tukaingia. So akamwambia mbele yangu, akamwambia usiniliambiwa kijana alitumia madawa. Akamwambia hapana, mimi najua kijana tangu azaliwe hakuna kitu kama hiyo, hajaitumia madawa, hajui madawa. And that's it. Mheshimiwa akaandika check ya ticket.
So hapo sasa mlionana Ruta na macho kwa macho na Ruta?
Yeah.
Wow. Na akakununulia ticket?
Mheshimiwa alimnunulia ticket. Mungu ambariki.
Asante sana John Kuta. Kongoi biik che isubech eng mtandao nebo Facebook tinye tonyo noto ko John Kuto netinye safari nelo kaketou kong'ete for the last 1 hour, lakini safaritab boyondoni kikure John Kuta ko lo tikemi angot kakebwa kakomutwech kakebe emetab Amerika kakewek akoi emetab Kenya. Kakitou safarit nebo oeng nameche sasom balozi Peter Rono kokweriech eng safarit nebo oeng nebo John Kuto. Ngarikognisen bichu isubech Aaron Sirma, asante sana isubech Aaron Sirma kobun taonit neo nebo Kamobo eng olimbo Nandi County. Mi nekekule Larina JB. I don't know why I'm loving. Kale mengen kole amune ngubani kako. Yeah, you are chanting and inspire watu wengi maana John Kuto. Chang biik cheisubech Stella Mutai, kongoi Stella Mutai, mi nekekure MC chebaibai Meruti Eldoret watching following 1-on-1 isubech from townit nebo Eldoret. Agere kora mi Dan Kandie CEO. Asante Dan Kandie kobun kebeberta nebo olimbo county nebo Baringo County ak Victor Kemboi. Kongoi Victor Kemboi kosubech Veres Cherotich. Kongoi Veres Cherotich. Agere kora nekure Lanson eng kainet nenat ko Alfred Sajin kobun taonit neo nebo Western Australia ako chichi kobo Mutwo eng olimbo Nandi County. Nicholas K. Tirop, kongoi Nicholas K. Tirop komi taonitab olimbo Maryland eng America ako chitab mashinani, chitab oret. Nicholas K. Tirop, kongoi Nicholas ak biik tugul cheisubech kiwechi kongoi taoni kitindoi eng betutab rani ko tot nekaikai laikan shean amu banda ni ko safarit kabisa nechere biik chechang. Ngot ko kikobet kamang'unet iribu eng betutab rani sinyoru kamang'unet kobunotok John Kuto. Karibu balozi Peter Rono.
Kongoi John Kuto. Kami tuguk alak che kimanale kitestai eng yo, lakini kongoi ako karibu John Kuto. Kongoi kostoik chekakosubech Salina Seko komite Maryland, ko karibu Walter Kipkoech komeche kelejin karibu. Agerin kora Theophilus Kipsang ko iye kobun kalebunwano Theophilus komi Minnesota ko meche kelejin karibu ako kongoi ing akwek tugul. Agere kale ngoni Walter Kipkoech, kale Walter Kipkoech Kilibwani Ward MCA 2022 watching live from Kilibwani Nandi ko meche kemwa kongoi ing akwek tugul cheosubech. Ni ko tetutieng'ung nebo tos ikere ne chitab Kalenjin kemeche kechergei ak ketesetai. Kongoi Osea eng kasarta noto koib ako kaimutwech ipkebwa kakebwa akoi America nyekeba akoi olimbo Florida komakobois oloto, nyekeweke olimbo Indianapolis komakobois kora John Kuto. Kakowek John Kuto akoi olimbo Kenya kakwo ako kongoi eng ngot komi chi nekosei kemeche keleji inendet His Excellency Deputy President kongoi amu kakinyo kwenut yu kotitoret murenoni. Kakonyoru tikitit John Kuto ne nekarub ako iboru kele mako sukul neiwendi nguno uni inye mangen ale kemach itokchigei ano amu kakoboro ng'alekab status ako uni meche labatet mangen ale ano ole kemach iwe. Ameche kechakte John Kuto so that we can finish. So umepata ticket ya kwenda wapi sasa? John Kuto?
So kwanza pole sana, sababu najua kila mtu sasa amefurahi, nimepata ticket, nimerudi. Actually ilikuwa ya kurudi US Florida, but bahati mbaya kwa hii safari nilifika US immigration, wakaniambia kitu ya ajabu, wakaniambia ume overstay Kenya. So baada ya 9/11 kulikuwa na new rule ya kwamba kama uko na visa ya US utoke after September 11, ukirudi after 6 months hiyo visa huwezi kubaliwa kuingia nao. So I cancel my visa at the airport hapa Detroit. Wali cancel visa yangu, wakanirudisha nyumbani niende nichukue visa ingine. So nilirudishwa nyumbani, nikarudi 2 days after.
Umerudi wapi? Keweke Kenya kugeni?
Yeah, because
okay, mutia. So karudi Kenya.
Ile visa ilikuwa valid, waka-cancel, sasa hiyo ikaribiwa. Nikarudi, nikaenda embassy nikifikiri watanisaidia kuchukua visa ingine. Wakakataa, wakasema lazima nianze fresh again. So that was in 2004. Nikiwa nimeambiwa nianze fresh in Kenya, ikakuwa ngumu sasa kwa sababu I-20 ilikuwa ngumu sana kupata this time. So Dr. Charles Wambulu akaniita harusi, akaniita graduation, nikanyimwa visa. Nikaamua kurudi club Kapsabet. So nikarudi.
Kuto. So kakoboro kapke consulen visa kaitiem iwe embassy ketenan. Kakobek tikititab His Excellency Ruto kokeny nebo oeng. So ukele tikitisiek karibu 3 chekakenyoru eng yu. So kiwono after this kaiwe itiem iwe embassy ketenan. So korum ne kewono nguno, what happened? Where did you go?
Kabla sijajibu hivyo, wacha kwanza niseme niliporudi kutoka airport nilienda straight kwa ofisi ya mheshimiwa, nikaripoti kwake, nikamwambia asante sana ulinisaidia, lakini visa yangu nikamwambia visa yangu imekuwa cancelled, walisema nimeoverstay. Nikampatia sotet, nikamwambia asante sana, sina kitu kingine ya kukupatia, lakini nashukuru sana, Mungu akubariki. Basi mimi nikaenda
kebi nyoru deputy president. Kongoi ibigoji sotet. Okay, so.
Okay. Awe Kapsabet asa lejige gaga square one mazoezi asianyorun ambassadorono asianyor suguli iskogen. So nikarudi nikaenda nikaongea tena na Auntie Grace, akasema karibu hakuna shida. So nikarudi mazoezi, nikafanya mazoezi nikingoja I-20, lakini this time Charles alikuwa anajaribu, from family side walikuwa anajaribu. Kuna mtu anaitwa Isaac Busiene alikuwa anafanya kazi na baba yangu kwa military. Kuna brothers walikuwa US na Mexico. So akaongea nao, akasema huyu ni mtu wa nyumbani, family amekwama. Wakajaribu niende kama mkimbiaji, niombe visa ya kukimbia. Alafu maneno ya shule nijaribu na mbele, because all my focus was that education. So Bush family tried all they could. Wakanitafutia manager wa race. So nikapata invitation through brothers wa Isaac, kuna Joshua na kuna Shadrach Busienes. So they got me a race invitation. So
sasa unaenda race wapi sasa?
Sasa ya kwanza nilipata enye ilifunguka, walikuwa najaribu yote Central, South America, ndio ikuwe karibu na US, ndio nikiombea huko visa ya US nipate. Sasa wakapata ya Venezuela, ndio iliwaka out. So nikapata
Venezuela. Sasa umepata Venezuela visa ya kwenda ama race ya kwenda Venezuela.
Yes.
Kuto inyorchano tikitit amu kakobek tikitit ne kaiso ako tikitit ko problem. Kenyorchano tikitit ne wendi Venezuela. Kotomo iwolu yoto Kuto, ko Venezuela bororietab Kalenjin ko emet nebo tochokilen OPEC, mite South America ngonyolin, ako kicham komi chi nekekure Chavez, President Chavez nekikorom kabisa. Koiweru Kuto, kewetito ano kenyorchi ano tikitit newendi Venezuela au koi amnito kewe Venezuela kuto?
So kineamua kitio ko kinigitarita kwa imani. Nilikuwa naomba sana, nilikuwa naamini kwa Mungu, nika insist kwa Mungu ya kwamba hii maneno ya scholarship, maneno ya masomo sikukuja nayo, ni Mungu alitumia Wesonga na Rono nikapata hii, na ni kitu mzuri, watu wengi wamefaulu. So I kept reminding God about that. So faith. Na wakati nilipata visa ya Venezuela, I had no money, I had no idea pesa itatoka wapi, na I think itashangaza watu wengi ya kwamba ukiwa na imani, ukiwa naomba, Mungu hawezi akakuacha. So that is what helped me. Wakati nilipata barua ya Venezuela, our elder brother Nicholas alikuwa yuko Nakuru, and at this time I was in Nairobi. So after I trained for a bit in Kapsabet, wakati nilienda Nairobi, my cousins wakaniambia, "Utafute kibarua huku, uache kurudi Kapsabet kila wakati unakuja unarudi. Tukae hapo upate kazi." So nilikuwa nafanya kibarua Nairobi. My brother akakuja kunitafuta. Akasema, aka-apologize, akasema, "Najua tulikureject wakati tulirudi, but tusameane." Akaniambia, "Ukipata mabarua yako ya ng'ambo, mimi nitakununulia ticket. Lakini kwa sasa nataka usome hapa, sababu wewe unataka kusoma." Sema, "Mimi nitaenda niongee na watu Egerton University wakupatia admission." So when he came to talk to me about that, it opened my gateway to Venezuela without knowing, because it was just a week after my brother came to tell me that I got the invitation, and nikaenda nikapata visa ya Venezuela like a miracle. So mi nikafuata my brother Nicholas Nakuru, nikamwambia, "Guess what, Nick, ulikuja a week ago and here I am. Ulisema nikipata mabarua yangu utaninunulia ticket." Nikamwambia, "Ndio hii visa ya Venezuela, nitaenda huko niombe visa ya US nirudi kusoma." So my brother Nicholas akasema, praise God, Nicholas is pastor too. And he praised God for it, and he said, of course. Kaniuliza pesa ya ticket Venezuela ni pesa ngapi? Tukapiga simu Nairobi kwa wale wanauza ticket, wakasema ticket ya Venezuela is one of the expensive tickets. Akasema 160,000 Kenya shillings. My brother akasema, akuonyesha amestuka, akasema, "Usijali my brother, you will go." So my brother akaenda akaomba loan, and unfortunately hawangempatia that much money, even with emergency circumstances. So they gave him a percentage of it, ama sijui ilikuwa ni a quarter. So alipewa only 70,000 Kenya shillings, but that is what my brother gave me. So already from 0 to 70,000 gave me a lot of hope. I said, God is there. The rest, I don't know where it will come from, but let me say it was just a miracle. My brother gave me 70,000. When I was working in Nairobi, I was already saving some money for a ticket. I had faith that somehow I'll go back. So nilikuwa nime-save around 29,000 Kenya shillings. So that makes 100,000. And nikakosa only 60. So nikaongea na my boss, which also a family, he has a business in Nairobi. Akaniambia nitaenda kuongea na Hussein, ule wa Marathon, because they were very good friends. Nikamwambia sawa, Ibrahim Hussein. So when I was waiting for my he's a distant cousin to talk to Ibrahim Hussein, something happened where I was working. I used to help people. There's a cyber cafe, they sell accessories, you have cell phone. So kuna msichana wa Chepsaita alikuja akataka msaada ya kutumia computer, kutuma emails. So I helped her. Akasema asante sana, akaniuliza na unaitwa nani? Nikamwambia Kuto. Sasa hiyo si ni jina ya Kikalenjin? Nikamwambia yes. Sema nyumbani ni wapi? Nikamwelezea. Ikakuwa ni mtu wa nyumbani. Akaniuliza so umekuwa hapa for how long? Nikamwambia it's a long story. Akasema I want to hear the long story. So I told her nilikuwa na US, nimerudi nimekwama, but in a summary form, nikamwambia but sasa narudi tena na sasa ni ticket tu nimekosa kujaza, but ninarudi. Akaniuliza ticket how much? Nikamwambia niko na 100. You know, I was just talking. See, I didn't know that something can happen. Nikamwambia I have 100 and imebaki 60. So believe it or not, she's called Rachel Cherwon, Mungu ambariki pia. She gave me cash, not enough, but all she had and what she could manage at that time. But it was good enough to have just a balance of, I think it was 10,000. So hata wale watu wa ticket waliniambia tu, wewe enda, wewe kweli wewe unaenda, hii kitu ni yako. So they gave me a ticket to go to Venezuela after that.
So Kuto, with now umepata ticket. Asante kwa hii watu yote wamekusaidia, umepata ticket. Umeenda Venezuela. What happened in Venezuela? Umeenda kukimbia, sasa hii sio shule. You are going to Venezuela. How long were you in Venezuela and what happened?
So I stayed in Venezuela for 5 months, and the livelihood there was just to run and get the money to survive. So you, Ambassador Rono, know my athletic background. So you moved me from 400 to 815. And now I have to do road races. They had no track. They have no cross country, which I felt like would be soft on my legs, but I went right into road races, which was hard on my legs. I had no experience whatsoever. So mimi nilikuwa ninaenda kwa race, ninapitwa hata na wamama, you know, like 5K, 10K. And me, I was so embarrassed. So kuna story moja naambianga watu, sitawahi sahau. So there was a race in Venezuela that was 10K, and I was, you know, going with the flow. Kuna mzee alikuwa amevaa kinyira, sijui kinyira ilipatikana wapi Venezuela, but Venezuela alikuwa na kinyira na ni mzee. He looked like he was in his 50s, 60s. But huyu mzee alikuwa tu anakimbia na ananipita tu pole pole, naona anaenda. Mimi nikaamini sasa mimi si mtu wa long distance, not road races. So in short, sikuweza win pesa the first 3-4 months in Venezuela. So nilipata Mkenya na Mtanzania huko walikuwa nakimbia, walikuwa na win races zote huko. So walini host. So sikupata shida ya chakula, walikuwa wananunua chakula, wanalipa rent. Wakanichunga tu, wakaniambia usijali, you know, background yako kama ulikuwa mtu wa track itachukua some time ndio ukimbie vizuri road races. So akasema watanisaidia kutrain. So I trained with them, and the 4th month I started to run really well, to the point that at least nilipata some money kwa race mbili, but it was not good enough like kuninunulia like a ticket or anything significant. So kianyali in Venezuela ipkea kwa some help from Ambassador Rono's club. So niliongea na one of them, anaitwa Judy, mke wa Dr. Charles, alafu wakaongea na the club members, wakanichangia pesa, wakanitumia. So in the meanwhile, the same people wenye walinisaidia kwenda Venezuela walikuwa wananifuatilia. So umepata visa ya US. So nilienda embassy ya US in Venezuela, and I was the first Kenyan kunyimwa visa. Huko Kenyans walikuwa wanapewa visa ya US, and I was the only one nilinyimwa. So nikamwelezea, akaniambia usikufe roho. Akaniambia tutakusaidia ukuje Mexico. Mexico ni rahisi kuingia US, whichever the means. So nikashukuru.
So Kuto mate wekageten nebo America in Venezuela. So koyaji nyo Mexico nguno mate Mexico kumagolo nito ketokyi America. So kokotoretin wanafunzi chekyomite tugul en kebeberta nebo Venezuela inyo Mexico. Kaitu Mexico. Korum ne en Mexico?
So
anan kitebi kotianit in Mexico?
Ki the same mentality, ki atieme awek, so ki rabinik the challenge amu kialabat lakini matalabat komye road races anyor chepkondok so ko lakini kianyoru Kenyans kogen chemiach nea komi werto nekelen Isaac Kimayo kokas ngalekchu kolejo minta kulipia visa awe embassy kogen netai
Ingono Mexico
in Mexico.
Okay.
Nikanyimwa sasa nikaamua wacha nifanye maneno ya road races so nika train na Wakenya train na Wakenya wenye walikuwa Mexico walisikia story yangu walikuwa wanasema sasa John Kuto atasurvive aje Mexico student hawezi kimbia road races but you know I thank God because baada ya kufanya mazoezi na hao the second month nilianza kushika pesa like nilianza kukimbia 30 minutes in 10k which was something hard for me in the past nikakuja mpaka nikakimbia 29 minutes kwa 10k nikaanza kupata pesa hapa na pale so that kept me going nikakaa Mexico 2.5 years
2.5 years in Mexico
yeah but I started running really well road races nikaenda mpaka half marathons nika make better times nikakimbia 64 minutes in a half marathon as a PB so nikashukuru Mungu it's not fast from Kenya wasichana wetu wanakimbia 64 minutes but for me it was significant and I thank God for it so that is what made my life in Mexico a little bit better na sikuchoka ambassador nilirudi embassy immediately nikishika pesa narudi embassy na nilikuwa nafuata vile wananiambia ya kwanza waliniambia kaka alafu kuje nikamaliza mwaka nikaenda ya pili wakaniambia kaka bado maliza mwaka ingine moja so nilikuwa tunafuata guideline yao na mimi nikaona kuna hope sababu waniambia usikuje tena don't ever come so walikuwa wananiambia ka wania naona okay sina makosa watanipatia visa so that was my hope
so your hope is to come to America
nimalize masomo so
akigaitar 2.5 years anangitar 2.5 years korum nengyu in John Kuto so what happened after this umewacha maneno ya unaanza kukimbia umekimbia road races umetoka track so unakimbia to survive and you are hoping unaenda embassy unanyimwa ama unaambiwa please to stay another 1 year ukakaa watu wengi kule nyumbani wakikatashwa moja wamemaliza namna hiyo wewe ndiji ito tibi kidogo umeto kotiem gogen golaja makwane kolengo betjeju so korum ne nguno te imi Mexico agnige kwertu andavia in Mexico
Kongoi coach watu hawajui kwa nini tunakuita coach wewe ulitucoach ukatusaidia by ambassador Rono Kongoi coach so kwanza kabla sijajibu hiyo acha niseme in total since wali cancel visa yangu in total nimeenda embassy ya US 10 times in total enye nimenyimwa
sabari sekta man
so
Chita College ne isuben ki kwa John Kuto embassy no America sabari sekta man ako mo given up 10 times ko testa anyo
so ine Kenya alafu moja Venezuela alafu ine huko Mexico alafu nilijaribu moja hapa wakati nilikuwa nimekaa hapa anyway so nashukuru Dr. Charles hakuwahi choka na mimi so nikiwa Mexico Charles alikuwa ananipigianga simu ananijulia hali siku moja akanipigia akaniambia guess niko wapi at that time alikuwa anaishi New York nikamwambia si uko New York akacheka akaniambia hapana niko Canada na akaniambia so nataka uachane na maneno ya US kuja hapa akaniambia hapa ni mzuri kabisa ile stress alikuwa na US hakuna akaniambia wewe kuja nikamwambia sasa daktari was at that time now he was a doctor nikamwambia daktari tapataje visa ya Canada si uniite so college daktari ta tonge mani mangenole kichoktain paro no ganan nalega visa college cheng visa inyenginyoru visa inyo ataji so angaladi Kenya chigimi Mexico je ruwaik so chang che pwane Canada ko ruwaya ko wekse
so nguno kongoi John Kuto katilin ing yo amu ine kararan kora konai biik Dr. Wambulwa kostoikyok ko one of the students nekisomani Starehe Boys kowek murenoni kora nyokotun lakwa nekile Judy nekimitei club ak inendet John Kuto ako kakotebiso bichu eng America ko koromit America koba Canada so they are citizens chebo olin kakwo Wambulwa kiakoratkei akine komeche kwo Kenya kocheng visa nebo olin konyor so practiceni medical eng olinbo Canada so inendet nekang'ololso ak murenoni ko John Kuto kaiwe anan kainyoru kakomwaun ruoik chemitei Mexico kolejin ngetyem Canada makwo America matakocheng chichik America kakolas ngatyem Canada so kaicheng sukul anan kaong'ololso ak Wambulwa icheng sukul kolya
so kitomo ng'alekab sukul eng yoto kilecho kityo nyo so atebe in ruwaik yani vile wanapata visa ya Canada komwoiwa ajob akine komieit
nebo labatet nguno ama nebo sukul nebo labatet okay so
ajob nebo labatet kekono visa nyokotaja in Wambulwa ak Judy Nova Scotia
Kuto kaal ng'o tikitit nguno kaal ng'o tikitit amu ingele mi korom ng'alekab tikitit eng yu kaal ng'o tikitit nebo in Mexico ak Canada
kikorom kimatindoi chepkondok chekiyama aal tikitit lakini kikona Mungu chorwet nemie eng Mexico Mexican kialwa Mexicanayat tikitit
nebo iwe Canada
nebo Canada
okay so
akwalwa first class
kongoi so okay so
yeah so anyonyo kotaja Charles ko lakini the first thing chekikiyai ikaitu ko sukul kialeji Charles ingen che ameche sukul komuta Charles sukulishek tugul chebo Nova Scotia kikwerie karit yani komi off komuta sukul ni koyana aengu kokona in scholarship so anyoru asin scholarship in Nova Scotia atau sukul amande korap Charles awe atebi anege in negit sukul
so kenyoru scholarship ing kebeberta nebo Canada nguno Nova Scotia notok chitab kalenjin Nova Scotia ko ng'asis nebo emetab America ko ole kakinyorchi inendet nguno komitei cherongo mitei west nebo Canada koitou sukul koimete nguno labatet sabwati ale kewe sukul asona scholarship amu kikonin right itebe korab Wambulwa kidogo betusiek tutigin yekaikimitu itestai kesomanchine nguno in kebitou sukul nao ketou fresh kokeny melen kebitou freshman nguno
kiatau fresh
ilabatyini sukul anan kelya
woi kanya kidogo so kale nabarwa kityo in zawadi kikikona in most valuable player
in sukul
so kialabachi sukul cross country again kimakotindoi in track in outdoor kitindoi indoor which was really hard for me but indoor across country so kialabachi 3 years ago ki athletic scholarship so kingaju sukuli nota ajeng program nenywa ajeng in education program neki interesting so it is known for criminology and business so mata much business ale ne criminology much a development interest so I in criminology program nyundo
so kisomane bi kesomane bitar did you finish or graduate from the school
so yes not the school but what happened is that I learned about another school that is the best criminology school in Canada it's called Simon Fraser University so kalach ni siro ile
track and field yes
lakini kuna story behind it, so nikaomba transfer niende Simon Fraser in my third year.
You know Simon Fraser?
Boy, it's very good, and they compete in the US, they are Division 2. So
Vancouver.
Vancouver. Yeah,
British Columbia. So kaimangu kaitebi kaitaren yun karibu 3 years kenyino ba angwan nebo let iwe Simon Fraser ngolimbo British Columbia.
Boy, transfer.
Lakini te imi sukul kewe transfer.
Boy, ki transfer asinyo labachi Simon Fraser. So Kiage retired, you know, all those years that, you know, have gone, and so this is the second chance God has given me. I should be smart about it. So Simon Fraser got the best school in criminology in Canada and among the best in US. Amid that credential, asinda tarsugul anyo roga sinegara immediately amu Martin day time awesting. So enyanyo ru admission aleji mungu gongo imanyo BC. So
kotoma itiata kagere kora ine kangyasu agugulen anyoru ale kingimite British Columbia aniglene ine Nova Scotia noto ko kongasis nebo Canada. Ko kitau project kagere imite television kitau project nekikolektoni kweinik. Tokomite noto ako kilya kiyai ne amu mi a funny story ne kameche samwachi biik amu uyo kitinye maket ile kenyoru kweinik chekiyoktoi koba alake koityi rwoikab Kapsabet ole kikotoretin ak biik chekikotoretin. Kilya programit neng'ung?
So kingami sukul ing Nova Scotia, aro biik kowirtoin kweinik chekararan, alechigei ngo wirtain kweinik chekararan bichu, ako abwat amite Kapsabet kibwechi kweinik ako kigona motivational ale yani it's really good. So abwat ale at least nga given back, you know, program nebarono nipatie mtu inspiration, just the way I was inspired, and just to say thanks. So atau a collecten kweini joto I collected 20 pairs, kitio. So what touched me about the story is that the Nova Scotians were giving, and I got a lot of shoes. So yani he mountain of shoes, yani changanea. So I got emotional, but kianyo enough to send to Kapsabet. So
mi a story ne mi in kuto ak chito ne kosej amu kinye kakokolektan ruto kilengoin kuto kweinik kotun konyor rwoik mite labatindet anan rwoik aengu chekibunu kebebertab Turkana, biikab Turkana chekikabwa kongyeyoktoi kweinik amu shida mising ko kiyokto kekolektan ma shida, lakini kiyokto kouni kiyokto bokisisiek mongen ale sandukusiek ata uni koba murecho kaikinene koba ipkoib kweinik Turkana kotun kelen ketebse murechu kole iskiokono kweinik asarune biik ako mi Turkanek chematindoi kweinik ai koib kweinik ai matakoit olin mongen kuto teitesata mutyo
so noto nikiaja astopen amuin matakwain the goal nekiatinde yameje in koba Kapsabet the club ko lakini piju tekimangen kimwae chumbinet college wane Kenyans nyogolabati this race akoekaleji imuch keyakta kweinik koibin Kapsabet college sikengalalji so koyan murejo so kikikoite karibu 5 bags cheba kweinik full of running shoes. So at the end of it kikilejo mait Kapsabet, so I was disappointed. So alejige sasa yo kazi yote, you know, it consumed a lot of my work because badala ya kusoma ama kufanya kazi ama kufanya mazoezi niko naenda ku collect shoes because I had asked the school to give me a spot so that people can drop it, because watu walianza kunipatia viatu ikakuwa ngumu mimi kwenda kuchukua kiatu from this person, from that person. So I requested for a central place where people can go place it. So what happened, people are giving so much that it was building so quick na ilikuwa kwa gym ya shule. So inabidi niende nizitoe ndo iwache more room because people continue to give. So ikakuwa busy for me. I had to go find my own time to go collect and talk to a guy that had a shoe store kuniwekea huko. So it costed a lot of time. So sikutaka nifanye tena hiyo na iendi kufanya ile
kitu ulikuwa
yeah, so I stopped.
Ko kuto setake tiem kora yekaisatlan itiem sikiro or nekimuchi ketoret. Abwoti ale tokomi toretet anan tokomeche biik toretet eng gaa olin. Ko sitakecheng or amu makimeche kora kobet kiyotok. Ko kuto kaimong'u eng Nova Scotia kaiwe olin ibi ole kabitare sukul, kiitar sukul ko ameche kechakta kitikin amu kaketebi keny. Ameche anyun imwochi biik ile karum ne kaitar sukul, kalya nguno amu yetar sukul ko kenyoru kasi anan ne nekaru kiyoe ne nguno.
Yeah, so ikiatar sukul kasi full time kiami. So wakati nilianza shule hapa BC nikatafuta kazi yenye itanipatia direction ya career when I finish school. So nikaingia kwa security company, nikafanya kazi ya security in the hospitals, healthcare security. So I had passion and I really loved it. So kia part time, co-creating in resume. Anyway, mata labati sugula muki gona red. I was redshirted for 1 year. So mata labati amuin. One thing led into another. So
lakini itar sukul eng yoto ki graduate.
Lakini kiatar sukul kia student loan atar mata ke gona scholarship lakini kia nam student loan atar those 2 years kiatar nika graduate. So after school kia mi part time I go full time in security industry. So baada ya graduation nikapewa promotion nikakuwa field operations supervisor, nikafanya for 1 year. I graduated in 2017 December. So ceremony ilikuwa 2018. So 2018 nikapromotiwa kuwa field operations supervisor kwa security industry. Nikafanya for 1 year until last year. Nikapromotiwa kuwa site security manager. Nikafanya for 6 months. Ikakuwa kama nyumbani. Wakati nilikuwa comfort zone ya British America Tobacco, naona watu wamesucceed kwenda US na wamesoma na mimi niko hapo. So it happened the same thing last year. I thought it seems like I'm happy in security industry, so I need to take a step of faith kuonyesha Mungu nataka kuwa na career nzuri. So I quit, nili resign, nikasema kuna vitu zingine nataka kufuatilia. So I've been waiting on my applications ya kazi. I guess
kongoi magumwa notok meche kobarchigei murenoni koek kipkasta nebo emonintok nin bo Canada ko borie notok no kiyoe chekilen background. Kimeche keker kele kiune chichi eng Kenya, kiune eng olin bo Venezuela, kiune eng olin bo Mexico, ko kiyoe background notok. Kimagun chemiach eng yotok yeiwendi iborchinigei ng'olyondoni ko makimeche kemwa kele tokchingei ne amu tinyegei ak emet. Ko kaieku mwananchi nebo emoni kuto anan tomo? Kiieku citizen nebo emetab Canada?
Yeah, kianyoru citizenship 2018.
Kongoi. So kaieku citizen. Ng'olyon ameche ateb ing yu komangen, ingele kakeng'alal ing yu ko mara komi biik cheisubech ing yu, mi akere kakobwa biik cheisubech ing yo, mi Chebi, mitei Winnie, Chepkurui, mitei bichu tugul. Ako kaitiny biik chechang. Kito nebo kamanut nekakenai ko makiveni up. Kakwo chichi kolabati kotanan nyokowek sukul, konyokowalak kole ngonyo chebo labatet, kakosom tikitit, faith no kakobit no tugul no. Ko kainye kwalun chito Mexico tikitit iwe olin bo Canada, kabitou sukul, kaigraduaten, kaiyai kasi, kaieku manager, ibieku operational field manager, ibiresignan ile achicha, igeni boisiet neo ne abwoti ale kimagun chemiach kisome pastainik chemi osochi murenoni yewendi eng boisiet ne kararan nitoni yenyor ko netoreti emet nindoni bo Canada, toreti nenyo. Chang biik chetebe tomo kekas, mongen baning'ung netugul ni kuto. So Kigebukenin kitunishe, kigebukenin ichenge anan achicha.
Tebe chi
Sahi
kitebe kenyisiek kuk kele kenyisiek chukuk chutugul akolis Mr.
Makimeche komwa chi ingele makosa ngoleb America iteb chi ile ibo kenyisiek ata, maraisi kowalu chito, so chicho imeche iteb ile ibo kenyisiek ata, ko kaikai kityo keteb kele abwoti ale ibo ibine, angen koimet abo kaplelachane, so inye kotoko imining ngane, so abwoti ale bo ibindang'ung en Hosea.
Alen kine, the best that will gauge everybody to know where I lie is that mi nilimaliza high school 95, so kama nilimaliza shule 95, kama nilikuwa 18, 19, you can
calculate and add. So mi the range noto no kitare 95 akwa. Ko tebutye no kakiteb in kitunishe anan ichenge anan mechenge anan lion.
So nilistruggle kwa shule sana, and so I was so focused with schoolwork.
Yeah.
I was seeing someone, but I work. But like, yeah, saizi to have a normal life. Hii ni kawaida ya maisha. To balance you. So right now, I'm seeing someone. So hopefully it will. I've been praying to God for someone. So na Mungu amenipatia mtu sahi, naongea na mtu.
Kongoi nyaisa kelengo ine John Kuto age magun chemnyach yeite setai ke magun chemnyach kongoi ngotindiong'ung ne kararan ne kakisubu. Kit ne kanetkei ko magigiven yap ngimete ngigiven up ko inye ne iluseni kekas atindiotab John Kuto konya America komanyo koagen koimgei kidogo kowe Kenya ipkerejectan nga ko magiven up kotestai kunotok nyokowek kokeny kwo kap deputy president kosom tikitit kealji tikitit nyait America kiwekta kowek Kenya ipkotebi kora kotoi ng'ololji ng'etab kamet kwalji tikitit manye tikitit konyityi biik cheteche kinyityi konyoweri nyokwam Venezuela kotebi ngolotok kitikin kotoret biik konyo Mexico kotoret biik konyo ngolotok kora nyokonyo Canada kwo sukul kowal career nenyi nguno kitar sukul. Kongoi neteta muren John Kuto. Mongen ngot itinye ng'olyon nemeche iteschi anan iteb kotomo kekonin imwa ng'alekuk chebo let John Kuto, ko ameche sicher chito no nekit ko given up eng sobet, no chito no wendi no kere kole oyie kokokoromit kiatyem ni kokwaman kiy age tugul. Amesinye ing'ololji chichotok atya kekonin ng'alekuk chebo let. So ameche koteb Hosea ngot itinye ng'olyo agenge asinye iwolwech anyun tebutyo nenyotebenan ane ko nalechinin imwochini ine chito nekakosubech, chito nemeche ko given up eng sobet amu atindiong'ung ko Hosea.
Kongoi balozi Bitarono, amateb tebutyo ameche kityo acknowledgen bichu kakoboiboitu chang biik John Kuto chekoitiny mi chi nekekure Matrit Cheptanui kale amen, kale kayanet neitindoi kabisa John Kuto koma rahisi amu bayaningung tugul ko kakotiny biik chechang, much komi chi nekonekit kochokan lakini kongoi agere chi nekikure Philemon Lotoin Rotich, kongoi agere kora tikomi biik kosubech kora angot Arap Samoe kosubech kora TID kora mi chi nekikure Meshak Kemei kale we don't surrender, kale nga kiboreke ak sobet ki age tugul neyoe ki age tugul me surrender. Larina Chebi wow, kale yasola namba 1, kale John Kuto kabisa kwa sola namba 1 amu sabaritab John Kuto min chi nekikure Eric Taito isubech from kebeberta nekikure Alphax. Kongoi Eric To, imwae kongoi Hosea Kiprop Cheboret kosubech kongoi kobun kebebertab Moi University ak biik chechang Laris Chebi, mi biik chekakowishenun all the best John Kuto, angot Twini Chepkirui kakisubech kale this is a touching story, isubech kobun kebebertab Gilgil eng emetab Kenya ak biik tugul agere kora locked kabisa Matelo Ngrono ko locked kosubech kora from Toronto Canada chitab kokwengung ak biik chechang John Kuto, chang biik chechang chemi yu kesubech kate Alfred Sachi. Yes.
Osea kongoi agerin Winnie Chepkurui, agerin Rebecca CTNA, agerin Winnie Chepkurui, Jamon Lailo, ye chang bijo Philip mangena lengono ko John Kemboi kemeje kemwa kongoi ngakwek tugul kamwa biik kole John Kuto kale resilient kale inye koi ui mangen ngot ko kase chi neimuchi konyor deputy president komwachi kole murenone kinye nekibun sotet konyo office ngung ko kiwe konyo gaa lakini kokotar sukul tokowendi kora kowasoleni ako kongoi notok John Kuto amu maigiven up koinyo kaitar sukul kaiyai tukchu ameche kotakikany sinyeimwochi ng'olyo chito no nekit ko given up ko iye chang biik cheosubech kakimwa kele osharan takindoi kora ng'olyondoni sikobit kisub biik alake Kuto chang biik chekoitinye chechek tugul ako kongoi nebo iman akemakun chemiach akot boisiono igeni abwoti ale isuldoi kotieku chi neo eng kenyisiek chebwone nying'ololchi biik alak makun chemiach eng tukchu tugul chu ko
Balozi kakosir chi nekekure Samoei kale kiotou kale kiotoune chang'a aldoi lakini kale tomo akiven up noto kekure TID Samoei kale kakotinyotin chotoab John Kuto so ameche kora Balozi
lechi chichobo chang'a kiwole mara kiboisie chang'a kewole kero ile kitiem murenoni komakowoken nyokotiem age so lazima kemeto ako ngap koit kasarta ne lazima itakan yani a leap of faith yani iamuan ile ngobetyu ngotoi afresh akitestai ko eng chichoto testai Osea
kakomong chi nekekure Faith Chale Meli isubech kobun taunit nebo Alberta uyo kokwetab Arap Kuto kosubech from Alberta mi nekekure Sandra kora kosubech kobun taunit kora nebo Alberta kongoi akere kamong biikab Alberta mi in solidarity ak their fellow Canadian noto ko John Kuto ameche kora Balozi Peter Rono much kokase Baru Kibet ko agenge nekamwa John Kuto kole bo biik chekikap kotoret John Kuto ako much kora kokase chicho kikap kotil John Kuto kole chichi ko mokoroindet deputy president kisochini akine chichotok akesochini biik kora cheu chot Balozi amu chang biik chengap konyo chito konyone kokanyone rirek che genuine komi bichu kakorikyi bichu echen koship kong'eme amu kamwa John Kuto kole kishikeng'eme ng'alekchik ngap deputy president so kimeche kora sikeng'ololchi biik cheu chotok chaorikyini bicho echen oyie kokoitoi ki nekararan anan ki ne positive akobo chito John Kuto kateb chi eng yo kale une Alfred Sajin kwae the same ng'alechotok kitinye foundation Lanson Foundation tebe Alfred Sajin kale what are the opportunities chemi emetab Canada ing biik chebo sports anan kale sporting opportunities ing kebebertab emetab Canada akit kora netikotebe biik chechang John Kuto kale tiketinye kora athletes kora eng emetab Kenya chemuch kotikomi kora on trial atikotiematiemi tos mi which other way nemuch koit chito Canada the easiest way through this labatet atinye koborye konam kartasisiek chebo emetab Canada the easiest way ole ingende John Kuto
So Canada in general komeje immigrants the country depends on human
human resource
so nguno human capital so nguno sai kutindo a lot of opportunities sponsoring a lot of programs so athletes changen kopwane nyoko labatos koekse Kenya lakini the greatest opportunity naangen ko athletes ngobwayu konyoru opportunities koba US at South America, Central America, so it's a good place to be. They can train here, they can compete here. We have a lot of good races, but mainly they will also have a lot of exposure to America, US, and Central and South America. So kine ko agas neangenale is a good opportunity for Kenyan athletes. Kokiagas keleni this country go in visa about 10 years. Kenyan athletes, they love Kenyan athletes now metengeneza jina mzuri. So you can imagine ukipata visa at 10 years, you have enough time kujisaidia upate foundation yenye unajitakia. Kama unataka kuja ukae, tafuta namna ya kukaa. Ukitaka kazi unaweza amua ubadilishe. Ukitaka US, the opportunity will present. So it's a good place and so many opportunities. Kwa lakini jitane nyone ile kitu nitasema rip status, rip kartasi shake. So ukikuja fanya ile kitu imekuleta, ukitaka kubadilisha, badilisha vizuri kwa serikali. Kama mimi nilikuja kama visitor lakini nimepata citizenship. So it's a good place kuwa na foundation ya kujijenga kimaisha.
John Guto, anauliza swali lingine John Guto amuge akaisitisiza ngoribi kwa kartasishek. Une Canada kuna ndajute jita sage ko une tos we system ngalekab Canada amu kakititilchini biik ing biikab chebo machina mut komiji kora nekiko jogan sa kartasishek ako mi chini amaji une emetab Canada.
Ko ngawaleng yotok in Hosea. Chang kora wanafunzi kou kote Eric nagekase Eric to nekimioli. Ko kinyanyo Eric kebeberta nebo America komach kokoromit America okot Dr. Wambulu nagekase kemwoe. Ko kinyekakobwa kokoromit America kecheng chebo olimbo Canada. Kianende ne kiasir aeku sponsor asirchi baruet nebo recommendation sikobit koba olindok. So mi biik chechang chekikomach kokwaman sana kokwaman eng olebo America koyach kiyapte koba Canada amu more friendly a Canada kosir emetab America. Ko angen atkan kora koywei biik eng kolen oye malyon Canada uyo kikonaita America mising. Ko ameche kityo acher choto ale metebi umian mising ako mi boroinwek chekororon ako more friendly emetab Canada. Ko kimeche kelechi bichotok imukoksei chang boroinwek kuyo kakekas kuyo kokakimutu Arabor nekonyo komwoiwech akine kiwo Canada kotebi kotko koben konai nyokosomonchi ng'alechuto chu. Ko mongen kot iteschini kiy John.
Kakomwa ambassador cheame ko kii nekararan ko nginyo ko gaigai inam kit agenge agi ushikilie ufuate, sijui kama naweza sema clearly kwa lakini maraisi ku US keunge ngome tinde kartasi ishe ko wui Canada ko wui amu tindo a lot of programs che support any immigration. So alen wui amu metinde excuse ne imwa ile mami gine muja chang programs in Canada. So meje ngonyo jito anan ngokako kwama jito koger programs che available ko chejang ko through the government ko tariti bi as ambassador has said, it's a very friendly country. Ago very supportive in migration. So kine amwa gityo ngonyo jito konyo konai programs chemite ago namagenge ago jut ngoisho not agenge kotiemage, as long as you have that window ya makaratasi kuwa valid memete ipko like expire or anything like that, as long as it's in the status imujites binyoru status ne image.
Kongoi John Kuto kakete biik eng yu ako amu kororon ng'alek akere kabisa biik kosirwech eng yu. Job Mayo akerin Wilfred anan cheptanui kimeche kemwa kongoi. Hosea Kiprop cheburet kongoi. Kongoi ngakwek tugul eng tebutik chekawateb abwoti ale kaketiny chechang. Ngokenyon nguno ko kakisubi bandab John Kuto kong'etege Kenya, America kowek Kenya, konyo nyokowek kokeny kolen konyo America kiwekta, konyo kowek nyokwo Venezuela, komang'une olo konyo Colombia, konyo Mexico kotar 2.5 years, nyokonyo Canada kotoi sukul, ak nekakotar sukul mi nguno olimbo Vancouver kokwai tuguk cheteche kapkwai. John Kuto ameche kakemwa kongoi akemwochini ameche teimwochi ng'olioin kotomo imwochi bichu. ngot ko kasin kakemwa eng yo kele Asla kakoek Asla ni kitinye Asla number 1 eng olimbo Kenya noto ko deputy president nenyonet awongoi amu kitoret Asla mwenzake ko ameche ndenyoru besiet nekenyoru boroindo anan akot Faruk anan ko ngo imwachini ine ng'olyong'ung kotomo ing'ololchi biik imwachini ine amu ara kikotoretin kikochi sotet abwoti ale mara takomi sotonot anan ko mami ko imwachini ine.
So kine jama mwae ko mheshimiwa yuko na roho kubwa na ningependa aendelee kuwa na hiyo roho. Anasaidia watu even shida yenye ni so individual. He listens to people and he helps. Naomba aendelee sababu anaweza ona through me what he did. Alinisaidia, nina succeed. So if he continues to help one, there is millions of people that will succeed. So mimi nashukuru sana. And when I graduated, actually, Ambassador, sijui kama ulipata my invitation ya graduation, but you and Mheshimiwa Ruto mulikuwa kwa top list ya mimi kuomba kama mungekuja. So I sent him invitation to come, but I know, he was the deputy president. Maybe it would have been really hard logistically, but I wanted him to see my success, and I hope that he will see my success down the road, just as Ambassador Rono is doing, experiencing my success. So ile kitu ningemwambia hata Faruk ni kwamba mtu akiwa na shida waendelee kusaidia irrespective of allegations saa zingine hazikuangi ukweli. So kama kuna usaidizi inaweza itoke bila conditions, and that is the result of what happened to me. Mheshimiwa alinisaidia na he gave me an opportunity to succeed and I succeeded. So namshukuru sana.
Kongoi nye John Kuto kimagun jamnyach agere ng'olyo nekasir Eric To. Ko Eric To komi Canada, inendet kora ko ki mwanafunzi nenyonet akecheng'in Eric. Ko kale Eric the easiest oret ne rahisi ne nyamnyum keba emetab Canada ko iwe ko mwanafunzi ko ngigraduaten kokonin bichu opportunity applyan for permanent residency. So noto ko green card. So friendly emetab Canada amu meche biik, meche human resource, kosubkei ak biik chang biik chekakoesekitu, kemeche biik chetakomengech. Ko oret ne rahisi ko keba ku kakibendi sukul, so ngomukoksei ityem kunotok. John Kuto kosubkei ak kasarta amu kakwo, mameche teketebi, kororon ng'alekuk, kakeboiboitu, kakecher age nebo man. Personally, alen ane I'm very, very proud of you and I wish you the very best. Eng chi ne nekit ko kibenap John Kuto, chito no mara komi kakekas kole mi age nekiataune chang'a, deputy president ko kitaune ngokaik, kwai tukyoto tugul. Imwachini ne chichi nekit ko kibenap eng sobet John Kuto, nde ng'ololchini chichito ni komyeitu, tos imwachi ne chichoto?
Wait, kabla sijajibu hiyo, wacha nichukue nafasi haraka kusema kongoi missing kwa ile baraka umenipatia, kwa ile maombi umepeana nipate kwa maneno ya career. Kongoi missing, Mungu akubariki. So kwa kujibu hiyo swali, ningependa tu nipatiane a simple mathematics so that it can help people. So I graduated in 2017, the bachelor's degree. Lakini hii vision ya masomo nilipewa in 1995. So ukihesabu ile miaka imepita ndio nikapata degree yangu, ni miaka 22, with a lot of things that came in between to block my blessing. So kama kuna mtu mwenye anapitia magumu, anafaa kuona ya kwamba nilipata degree yangu baada ya miaka 22. I think that is more years than how old I was when I was living Kenya. But all in all, I never gave up. I had faith and I believe that God will make me achieve it. So it's only a bachelor's degree. Wengine wako na bachelor 3, 4, masters, PhD kama Ambassador Rodo, Mheshimiwa Ruto, DP iko na PhD. But for me, hiyo bachelor peke yake meant a lot. It meant 20 years of struggling to achieve it. Now, when I got it, I thank God for it. And it is what I can say, it is achievable as long as you have faith. Never give up and never think there's nothing that you cannot achieve. If you have faith, if you are persistent, utafika na utapata.
Kongoi John Kuto, kongoi abwati ale kaicherake chicho kekasech. Kang nyakamwa kenyisiekuk choto 22 sitar undergraduate neng'ung. John Kuto akastoikyok kebwotwo chito kora nekimuita nekibun tuguk chekoromen, failures and successes. Inga kinyo chichi kot koek chito neo eng emetab America kokibun cheechen. Nito ko president agenge noto ko Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln ko chang ng'alekchik, kakonyo chichi kotyem mung'aret kobut eng 1831 konyo chichi koek engaged to sweetheart nenyi kichome eng Nyamiru kosirto sweetheart nenyinet. Kwa chichi kora tun konyor nervous breakdown komyan arawek 6 eng sipitali. Lakini makiven up kotun komong kora nyokotyem koek speaker nebo Illinois kesindan. Kwa chichi kora kwai nomination komeche kwa Congress kobut. Nyokotyem chichi kora kokanyor nomination kwa Congress komasir. 1854 kesir eng Senate masir kora. Tun nyokonominatengei komeche koborchigei koek vice president nebo emoni. Konyor kuraisiek 100 makikwei. Ko tun nyokotyem kora chichi Senate eng kenyitab 1858 komasir eng Senate kenyitab 1860 kekwei koek president nebo emetab America. Kaloit bandab chichi. John Kuto imuchi meku president lakini kaieku chekeku ako kakas boisiet noto kisoun akesoe tugul akesome pastainik cheisube kosoun sinyoru boisionik. Kanai ng'o mara kotatun ieku neo ing boisionoto iborchinigei inyoru ing emetab Canada ko mara inyoru boisionoto akiwe kotatun ieku chi nekaiyetu. Kongoi amu kaicher biikchok chito nekemi yo kemeche kelechin komecher age komangen ale sikeliochin. Ko tukche tugul ketyeme ako lazima ieku resistant akikilgei. Kongoi eng akwek tugul chekaosubech kichomok nebo man akelejinok ongetestai kecheng biikchok asikobit kotekechergei. Ameche icherake chitab kalenjin akikaskei nebo man. Kongoi nebo man John Kuto, kikosenengei. Kou ye kakamwa abaibai ane ako I'm very proud of you. Very proud of you. Kakere kakosirwa wanafunzi chekyomite tugul kole kiicher icheket akitesetai ichere. Kongoi kimakun chemiach yeiwendi yoechu sinyekekonin imwa ng'alekuk chebo let. Ko kimeche kotakemwa kongoi eng akwek tugul chekosubech. Dan Ng'eny chito Mexico, aikas chito nekinyo kobun Mexico laimi. Lawrence Biwott kemeche kemwa kongoi. Kipkemboi Rono kongoi. Jmo Lailo kemeche kemwa kongoi eng akwek tugul. Chang biik mongen kotite ikere chi Hosea sinyekikochi komwoiwech ng'alekchik chebo let amakitar tetutiet Hosea.
Kongoi Balozi Peter Rono, kongoi John Kuto sabaring'ung kabisa konakemwa nakeyanie Balozi chito kityem karibu mara 20 situn kobelis koek president nebo emetab Kenya. Kokalen akine John Kuto itare high school ko kenyisiek choto kikisicho akine ako kaketuye kora in a different platform, so kaicher akine John Kuto. So John Kuto akit kityo namakuni ko angot mutai kaachike ng'alecho kele mi chi nekoib kweny akikere toni keteka Balozi angot sikecheng'un kiba moi neiyengchini biik betunotok. So chokchi ng'alek ngoruryo ng'alechu ilechi mi biik already chekakokongei mutai. So kimakun ki age tugul John Kuto. Akere chi nekure Rebecca Sitienei, kongoi Rebecca, kaimong Chris Misoi, kongoi isubei, kongoi Ben Birir. Ben Birir ko boiyot nebo emoni nebo Australia. Ikere kamong boisiek saba saa 8 kemboi kosub tetutiet neb John Kuto komameche chi tugul komisen amu atindiot kabisa netinye sobetab biik chechang. Kongo chang biik kabisa. Kipkemboi Rono katebchi angot age eng yo kole atinye lakwa eng emetab Kenya. John Kuto tebe kale kikwai ng'alekab graduate eng ng'alekab hospitality kale une tos ngonyo Canada amu kale kotos nyoru opportunity eng Canada. Tebe kityo chang tebutik John Kuto, lakini neo ko biik cheiwechi kongoi akobo atindiot nekekonu keishan eng betutab rani. Biik chok ngomuchi orikyech inboxenech sikosikyi omwa atindonik kwok chechere biik amu chi tugul kotinye ng'olyo nemuch komwa nechere chito age. Kimeche kele kenyini kitokchinigei ko ongetyem kechergei keboisie angot atindonik chok our own stories sikosikyi kemotivaten biik. So John Kuto amakun ki age tugul nemi akinye yechopchinigei boisiono ko yekisaun amu boisiet kabisa ne makimeche koshikemwa sahi amu boisiet no ko boisiet ne baibai chi tugul angot by all standard by all angot deputy president mutai kainyoru boisionotok kocheng'in inendet mawe inyendet neicheng'e ako tun kokosigei kole chichi kikanam keut John Kuto koni kotikoborekei ak sobet. So ki age tugul nemi John Kuto yoibokyi sitiketach kora kebendi moving forward sitimwawech amu maitar tugul komie. So chitab Kalenjin
kongoi nye Hosea, kongoi biik tugul chekaosubech cheptab sawiyot mongen ale imyeno kimeche kelejin kongoi ing chi age tugul kole mi Nandi County ak akwek tugul chekaosubech kakemwa kongoi netetany muren ing chi age tugul nekei boroindo sinyekeng'alal. Katitamwae atindiot lakini mameche ang'em kosubkei ak cherset nekanyoru ko ameche kemwa kongoi akemokchi nemie inendet John Kuto. Ameche akonin John Kuto imwa ng'alekuk chebo let asiketar tetutiet atya kemokchi bichu tugul chu sikukuu netala anan makelen sikukuu so kenyit nelel nebo borotet ak kaberuret ak kenyit nelel nekimongchini nebo tuguk chekororon kingen kele komitei ng'alekab corona kakitokchigei kenyit age nyeitu kenyit nenyone bororietab Kalenjin ak chi age tugul nekaisubet mitei kaberuret tai akomi kamang'unet kakikas ng'alechu tugul chu ko mameche tateschi tuguk chechang. Ameche akonin John Kuto dakikayat agenge ak nusu anan ko oeng imwa ng'alekuk chebo let eng siketar tetutiet. John Kuto.
Nenyu ko kongoi nginye Ambassador Rono ak Hosea. Mnafanya makubwa. I'm always inspired by Ambassador Rono, and he has always been my inspiration. Kongete atare sugul, ki winning gold, ki winning NCAA records cheba 15, and the encouragement he's giving us an example of Abraham Lincoln. That's just amazing. Coach, continue with the good work. Continue being an inspiration to all of us, and God bless you and keep you. And Hosea Kongwe missing for coordinate na Rono. You're doing great. This is awesome. This is what we need. And I know this will pull out so many people to succeed. Chijone katebe ngalegap Canada agasi sheg. Amiji gite agoji encouragement aleji giwe angot website never immigration, official website never serikali. Kolen Canada aims to bring 401,000 new permanent residents in 2021. Next year, again 411,000 in 2022 and 421,000 in 2023. So chito negigo soman agotindai paron nini diplomas agne ko apply through the government program agonyoru permanent resident nyone straight ko permanent resident agonyor citizenship. So chang opportunities ngemani ngonai biik ityo ngalek chekiaitai sigonyor those opportunities. Ngonyor chi newane anan Eric anan Charles anan website konyor the information koyatagisin oratunwek chebain biik chemeche kobwa amu chenge the government in biik chenyokwai kasi. So hiyo ni changamoto kwa wale watu wanataka kuja Canada. It's just the best place to be in on earth. Ya mwisho ningependa kusema the program is really inspirational. Niliangalia ile ya mwisho ya Dan Ngeny. Pia mimi am encouraged na nimekuwa inspired because sikuamini Dan Ngeny mwenyewe alijilipia fees like high school, primary. He paid all his fees. Aliuza makaa, aliosha magari, alikuwa waiter Mexico. So ilinipatia no excuse ya kukosa kusucceed, because he did what he could to succeed. So the same thing nitaambia the audience, wale watu wanasikiza, ni tufanye chenye tunaweza kufanya to succeed, na usidharau marafiki, family na watu wenye unawajua. Unaweza ona through my story ya kwamba I am what I am because people help me. I loved everybody. Everybody is a friend. You never know who will give you the information or the help that you need at your lowest point in life to succeed. So tuendelee kusaidiana, usidharau mwenzako ama jirani, na tushukuru watu kama kina Rono na Hosea kwa ile kazi wanafanya. So sina mengi. Kongoi missing coach.
Kongoi matesini ngoliot kityo natesini ko sapya ne miune rahisi kabisa eng chi age tugul ne isubech. Ne notok ko tuguk aboisie kityo nambarishek aeng che kergei. Kou yo kakile 9 ketes 9 koiku 18. 9 ketes 9 koiku 18. Ko ngerekte kitikin yo chitab kalenjin akile 9 kenyil 9, 9 times 9 kowale nambarit ne kai konyo kowale nyokoeku 81, yani kawal nambarit ne kamiten yun konde machine ko kakowalak koek A. So ameche inyil sobengung ing tuguk che iyoe. So boisie nito ni 9 + 1 = 18. Ko ngesuchen kityo mami kiy ne walakse kesuchen no bo plus iwal ilechi kole koek times ko shifte nambarit kwa machine kinyoru kaberuret eng tai yun. Ne meche ale kakikesu tetutiet nebo betutab rani. Kongoi ngakwek tugul chikojoinenech sikeng'alal, kimeche kemwa makingen kele kimwochini akwek tugul. Ngobirok Jehova kimakwo kenyit ne lel. Wikit nito nyone kemeche kora kecheng chito age ne imuchi kocherech. Kimeche sikemwoiwo kele ng'o kimutu kwony ne nyokocherin ak kocherech tugul. Ngobirok Jehova kakikesu tetutiet chekomiti tugul ko inendet Hosea, taonyo inendet John Kuto ak nenyunet Balozi Rono kelechinok ikere ne chitab kalenjin.